yari Jatuh. Ning schlager yari serban na pamilo. Yari li hitada kaya kshena kabo sau kai. Itu mo program hi. Bung phala kai na kuika faisa say jena. Yau ya aina chayang aina mabamialo ning shnare. Itu mhile mga li jerla traka hangdlay sidla traka hangdlay. Jena natumna yau ya ka hai masala. Chayang aina mazat mialo ning shnare. Itu mhile kokka salaga. Ari hitada how ko po kita da ngurum laga how po kita da itum asha mangayana kup ngurum serse igaji na tumne sakla ga na request sanen nishlaga
yari gudong li khatra kakshung tangkul naga jingdun longpang wiring pa salam milishit le aring yawi program hi dum mo pok chawrong laga hok pok wi se hi s jonathan tikan kachai baptist church li chamdle
저 혼나가 사야사세 당고 나가 진군 롱방 검스포트 및 링각 미역사 바샤바 비브라 닐리닝식 증끝 하이라고 아주 스믹소 도라이나 하복라가 스믹소 랑방다 브로 키파크 유닛 리 브로리라 페방 이 합크나 하웨 그지 힐라 masambang sakla hida de chingri ne kupsang khang sagwe bang ni shi lang meida arwi ya hila pro hore ra singal shikida khale program sai ko ri hi idom na mata tarang laga abab ri ra na ra hau phok mi da chingri ai ne kupsang mi shi lo ge che idom ni nga dang ke mya chu krista wi ming sing da sa sa ne amen
ning share araitum welcome speech hi issue with chairman ipchan kapai TNZL with chairman ipchan kapai wen khang na samure
Good evening, Jingdun. Khunui thot ping wang aman samui thi je ngaya khane da phani ngai. Khunui thot chiga itum tom da shida khlei ping wang aman sakla khai ngaya khane kha mi hi chung khom ma thei ma da lei. Amikri kapsan nai da. Aring yawi kamtaye itu mui special guest Mangang Raman tangkul naga jingdolong mui formal chairman kala ajing yawi program mui wangaina rajang gaya parliament mui judges bing amingai na hang sei jiga itu mui lagi sia so thanjimbem x etc sal kapangbom x etc sir star x etc so thotso formal general secretary and some kala itu mui parliament mui speaker khani lagi sia tau vreshang phungshok kala ajarbu yuimi kala itu mui ngaya hiwi quiz master sami ida khle Mr. Ringam Nungsung program ni sang khai makai lagla atam cha lagai na jingdun naw nei khni thori ke tom re kala itum khni to chem re kala itum jingdun chem re da rajang mi kai tum sai korali ra du shida jingdun ko tong ngoi mu thunai na ring pha ning si ji mi lu shitale jingdun ni ba thada short line na thada chatta khlai ni shortcut line ka ajing yawi special guest we amai mangang raman jingdun katam nalong ni la long phang ni la kala jingdun ungsung wasung da jingdun ni wang otang uthimi da khlaya amai mangang na tada atam ka sakya khlela rajang mi wang la tu sidaring phaning sipong sok talai amai mangang hi ili tiaw kha mayor chakshi mai awi thijang ni i chairman khrane mayor chakshi jaili ji kho China, amai mangal ya khsida cho stage li ya really ya chak chinga ye hi sang mi ka ali khapak la pai kachari sang mi ka Kacik widung ni kacik sang lang khra hem bak ne ta jingdu naw na make up sa mi la da kajar ning snai re kala aching ya hui khamataya quiz li kala parliamentary participate sami ida khlaya participants ka tong ali ring pha ning simi dai kala na tum ko tong ali ring pha yang sarno gu ji hi hang la ka tang ha we ning sla kai re
Issue Chairman Leaning Shere Ara Adam he money wise Nushilia Adam Midale Center for Financial Literacy
Hello, check. Mahirio. Morning, part like sports. Okay, ni Shinai TNZL organizing committee chairman kala razang khai tonga hunna ka tam minute phangala makam re tha hunna ka khuyoga ishi money wise center for financial literacy hi RBI wi shongai na Reserve Bank of India na all over India hi itum kapung nauping lui khwa nauping hi lansin ni watrago gida hi wangai na awareness program ku chung sa khwai hi set up sa khai na jenina issue chairman li kharjan sa laga hunna khamang atam milaklo ada ram now achu ram chung si baw geta abu vain hang ma gi ji liba ta hunna ka now dai tum khradam tharan ada welcome sami khwai ta introduction mangi sam yau ge da khradam tharan mathan tu bain asi kha reisang khwai khu khrai hili itum na khwan mag tom ra khlai da ta mathan tu tup atam khmi juwang ning sinai re money wise center for financial literacy ukrul hi jingum khani ukrul set up sa khai ne khu north fak ra ta south fak ra kha khani ba vai re ka chung khram ma zrang e ta da chiwi wang ai na youth sping khuni thot ping main sa da hi ka thakla je khawa itum na itum wi lansin chong bank chong hi lui khana bing loans ka ta do khui bai ki insurance schemes le thada banking wi institution ni itum na mathai khwa banking world ni mathai khwa bing hi itum ka phung ลุยขวาก็ที่นั่นวันเขาพกแล้วก็ถ้าไล่ก็ทำมาจีบาชุ่งแล้วก็ student loan นั่นต่างๆ housing loan ที่ไม่เคยจุ่งก็เคยจีถ้าได้ทุ่มนั้นก็ถ้าคุยไปเรื่องก็จะฮีถ้าได้ทุ่มนั้นรำลิจัดก็หางราสาเรเจียตั้มทารันทุ่มนั่นละมาทำทุบไปนะถ้าได้งรกมีด้ฮีวัตรการซับลงเองก็จะถ้าได้ไม่ยามีด้ข้างรกมีโลก็จะถ้าได้ money wise center for financial literacy ช่องไอ้นะถ้าได้issue ฮีราสารุโคก็จะข้างนี่ก็ถ้าได้อาตั้มเราไม่เคยที่ชูก็ได้ถ้าได้เห็นต่างเอาก็นิ่งชินไอ้เลย
Alright, itumna short speech hi itumwi special guest azung yawi special guest sami dekleya kuiru mangang raman ex chairman TNZL li atam midele short speech wi bang
Program Committee li Jingdun Long Pangwi Chairman aga sasaida hita the privilege kamiwang ningsilagere Kia sikangia long Jingdun Long Pangwi Chairman kalawi pungwubing Atu katraga sunga sports kala culture festival hiwi sports committee Kui hiwi aunga kala hangung nauping Local hiwi organizing committee convener kala awi colleagues ping Ku wen razang de kali aung ping hangu nau ping church with pastor ping kala church we otam ngutsu da ram nauling sora de kali natum kala long phangi mapung phang sakra da razang gai ram nau psychorally yaru psychorally yuring kapa ningsi salam midalai achingya Aru atam hili o gutui wartam o gutui kisok the lekla o gutui kikla naga hi kalizatli the tekwi kwai quiz kala youth parliament pamgi the lay the clay he with judges being speaker kala quiz master not from lila ringapa ningsi midalay ram nau pingli in the poch ngai akha khani hanghau gai chingtun li kathema ram le da tang khonang san kai kha achu itumi thothi likali nginglak likli ja aksi ka pyo ying sangai thui ga hai atam le gazetted officer kya khalai sa office akhwa sa laga kya khalai sa itum saneng se achu isi chingtun kaling ning da lekla awang rakla awaying rana office lig otpam ka khakli pama with achula tangkholi isi langsung ila kan zatlela ji question sang sangai khrewi totally currently runo privately runo disalapai thai thang khamai otam khangchi khreli chungmei achi thum khani thot phaning khuila ra nai rei lungsan meida lairik katam lairik mangmaning la sports li lapai business li lapai occupation ngteng ngte ithum lungsan meida ithum na saga thai ithum na sag sabli lungsan meida ot ka sadar gar sair gi pongai khani thot mutai lage na khotna milaklo chingtun holy sit say kalai si chingtun kharar nauli khya gasi hangu nauli respect khami honor gasa suitala khairai ava ameva chon rali khyam si thurai ithum lat luida tangkuring san ithuming san khya gasi ko ho hangu naw na da khliang sang mi da khlei church liang sang mi da khlei hilila mathame da khya si them me khwai khotna lak si pongai achung ya participate sagi da khlei na thum psychorilla mahai meruno kalana thumui jena itum achingli le dak le itum psychorilla tam ku sukhilak ke kala tam ku sukhilak trak ji hi hangai na thumli la mahai meruno ringpha meruno ning silagere
Ajui special guest Sami Khai Kuiru Mangang Raman ex Chairman TNZL Nalining Shikjung Pongshok Tele Araitum Sakmai Kachtekala presentation Atam Kuika Vaisa say Jena Ina Aming Itumwe Youth Parliament Kala Quiz Master Youth Parliament we Speaker Juris Atumwe Aming Vok Showing Shida Nitsumna Kakshena Station Ramilo as we Youth Parliament we Speaker na Kuiru Vreshang Pungshok, General Secretary, Ura Trust. Kala Lashio Yumi Bishum, Lecturer, Sentinel College. Juries being Tanjibem Jagoy, ex-ADC, Kuiru Kwangbom Zimik, ex-ADC, Kuiru Star Raikan, ex-ADC, Yersho Totso AC, EX-GS Ansam. Natumna Station Kuramilo. Look at quiz master issue as the quiz master your show Ringam Rungsung, Assistant Professor, Saint Joseph College, Ukraine. Hiwi Panglani issue Chairman Ipsan Kapai and the land Mirano. Ning sharing tum tongli ara itumwe first quiz firstly quiz sara juitli youth parliament hi second item sara jena ara quiz master Ringam Rungsung assistant professor Saint Joseph College ali atam hi midle
check. Remitida Ragazib Gaya Yarig Chivli Ringpa Shalamidle Literary Night TNZL we Zimik Hili Kare item Sada Quiz Sakavang Runner Ragazib Gai Psychorally Ringpa Shalam Kamian Soda Arilla Shongfu Liza the Clay Bignilla welcome Sadale Matang Razang Milo Mahapok Chaurang Laga Ishi Zinduna Talaga Issue wordam larigdam we aman gasak kachonga themida football li prize kami area gaika ram gaika we football prize 5,000 ne ishi quiz li kala ishi parliament li hida de encourage samama naga larigdam we aman gasak theda prize la chungama manai itum nui ga jang 2,000 1,500 daina saga saji ajiwa kachonga gaire amount ji mahang lu yege kala Kanawa Zindun Long Pang liver chung make other gara, Galarika Temna, Chunga Shokra Gaji, itum mà tại là cái nào khẩn thôi đi thùng mười shit cái sang cái jihan cái chung cái lấy đấy team thà đó xin yêu người chơi li thà na ari final round uy vang helicamera team bing ji na matang homira laga team ji matang helicamera quiz elimination round li qualified sagai team bing phali dalui di chan hong el pungter deinem sekor sirar kong parung ngai ngu kachai team trali congratulations khamye nang soda na tumna stage li kamilo yarui ga tongna pang ga phelaga tumli welcome sakui se serial number ponda shup kuyaw se issue with serial number ja akshida hile ku gamilo serial number shup kuira laga 1 2 3 da matang hiwena pambam immanra atumna serial number shup mamanda le laka yaruli hita da jithenga ye fear salage na sanga ye jin aru atumna serial number shup gai 1 shup kuya cover and 1 li pamora kala question number 1 ji awili dagi gijine question number and serial number 10 shup kuya cover and question number 10 kuira ka rapid fire in a set of 4 question chiliva and serial number pick safra chiwa question chungau gada crucial sala gai question sao gada chipaliva serial number pick safra atumna ngran mamanda lelaka ili quiz mastering John mi gi jiping ishi mi mati phanga leidele Mr. Chinao Shang Jimik ishi wi sansawi secretary ne Miss Word Churin Lunglang Miss Ching Shopi Miss Sorin Jimik Miss Pilayo atumbing hina arama audio li itumi technical work itumi time atam shigijinli point count gasali atumna nga John Mira fear salagena sarag ji relagena yarwi tongali third ariana hangmine apology ga boy nang soda atum nang ran mamanda lelaka issue wi outline kamili visual round jang jine kha athang la jangra da kopser gaine issue wi technical problem la yaw gada issue wi projector ran laga tyo mai ka kashoy ga ban leo da issue wi visual round ba hi khuisho kai re kha ji audio ga la ka tai ping ji hor chak da jadwa babamra ji buzzer round ina saura ga ji yarwi ga tongali thar kamine the leader team thoroughly congratulations campaign so the serial number 1 anina ram gala anyway amingji introduce haming sanga 2 3 4 10 aina dangda yarwi ga tong na thei bai me khwai atumle adam mingai da le
Iwi aming worry kai hoye tai nem khu we na ne
Iwi aming hosok lungar hoye tai nem khu we na
Iwi aming na rin mi gasom Israel kong we na ne
Iwi aming na kanting longwa ina Israel kong we na ne
Iwi aming na wajan pilung leng kala ina el pungtar we na na
ina ke shonrin mi el puntar we na ne
You are mean sorry ting PS is a core ne
ina jahan be khabai sai khor wen
You aming shon li ka bai ngai ngai we na ne
You aming na karm shon ar shim ring ngai ngai ne You aming na sailam ngak mi na phali we na ne
You are mean yung ring Raman Paliwin.
Eu aming na ning hor shang cham tului wen.
Iwe aming na Stephen Rungsung Tului Village Wenene.
Iwe aming na Wunzak Jahong na Tijan Hong Win.
Iming na Xingai Jahong, Tushan Janhong Winene.
Iwe aming na Thot Ngache Lungleng in a Prung Wening and Indicline.
In a somi bem pazang purung wenen.
Iwe aming na Soyao in a Kachay and Indicline.
Ili Wario Chan Hui Kachay Kuin.
Jo bang lagi nak sih bang kepi miao se audience ketong na. Itum na isui abam him space chung dama lagi tu kada whiteboard masih jenmera isui point scorer bing na yang memanra na sui ram hilizang dalai juga na tum na la point ji kawan sami paira adam li itum na score ji update samira. Lalu ida ya really welcome ke saya nang so da SR live gomli live ai na yang da klebing li na tumli la request sangai type sangai la samilo kan na tumli la question ngana live li yang da klebing na tumui price la later okruli Tuesday thangwan ngran mira na tumla ready samilo guchi hi live li yang da le na tum ka tong li positive salaga na tumli la welcome sa da le ji hangangai ne okay direct zatak vaisara point 1 2 na tumna thepulung ki gaji ina thaklaga na ba tami ge number 1 li there will be 2 rounds athang elimination round gup gai ne arui la tumi round khani leifura hili team throwing jai li team thrung na final wa fugi gi ne ina pasok mi ge there will be 2 rounds elimination round again here on the stage and final round out of 10 teams only 6 teams will go to the final round. Number 2, there will be 3 rounds in the elimination round, excluding the written one. The first round will be multiple choices, and in the second round, a set of 4 direct questions for all the teams. Third round will be a passing round. Point number 3, as mentioned, participants shall not be allowed to use mobile or other electronic instruments. Last, the decision of the quiz master will be final and will not be subjected to any change. Kahwila hui how kasigla sigauda I thaklaga na sara ya ribinglila question ngahan kwai adam mira in nghanra answer ngahan ka mi kwai adam open sa mira na tumla ready sa milo chui price later. In a hangout the question serial number 1 we question later. Next round in the serial number pickup sara issue is serial number ready sa misalo. Team 1 na ready sa milo. Round 1 by he microphone room the singo say aksidang ningamilo 1. Okay, your question number 1 first round. Which is the earliest known civilization in India? Option A, Mesopotamian civilization. Option B, civilization of Nile. Option C, Harappan civilization. Which is the right answer?
Option C.
Correct. 10 points for set number 1. Set number 2. No negative marking. Which is the 29th state in India? Option A, Pondicherry. Option B, Lakshadweep. Option C, Telangana.
Option C.
Correct. 10 points for set number 2. 3. Who was the first Sikh Prime Minister of India? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Option A. And option B is Adil Bihari Vajpayee. Option C, Manmohan Singh. Correct. 10 points for set number 3. 4. Which Indian state shares its borders with Myanmar, China and Bhutan? Option A, Manipur. Option B, Nagaland. Option C, Arunachal Pradesh.
Option C.
Correct. 10 points for set number 4. 5. Who is the first women Prime Minister of India? A, Sonia Gandhi. Option B, Indira Gandhi. Option C, Pratibha Patil.
Option B.
Correct. 10 points. Set number 6. What is the name of the Indian festival of lights? A, Holi. B, Diwali. C, Dasera.
B, Diwali.
Correct. 10 points. Set number 7. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C, B.R. Ambedkar. Correct. 10 points. 8. Who is known as the grand old man of India? A. Dadabhai Naoroji. B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. C. Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, let me repeat the question. Who is known as the grand old man of India? A. Dadabhai Naoroji. B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. C. Mahatma Gandhi. Option A correct. 10 points. Serial number 9. Which Indian state is known as the God's own country? Which Indian state is known as the God's own country? A. Nagaland. B. Mizoram. C. Kerala.
Kerala.
Correct. 10 points. Last. Serial number 10. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Rani Lakshmi Pai. C. Irom Sharmila. A. Correct. 10 points. First round ji pailaga ne sagai nei matang kamamana serial number of round 2. Round 2 we want issue serial number ji darkar sadale 1 to 10. Round 2 li atum na serial number pixara 5 sub khuya ga in a 5 way na question mati ngahan gi jine. Question mati hili current affairs question aka zangra, Manipur we chike aka zangra, science we question aka zangra, gala abbreviations aka zangra, mati hi katong ali sat khali direct questions halaga ngahan gi jine. Serial number 10 na hobo say 10 bashina mic hili ranganing milo. Serial number 10 kajai. No. Aranashina 10 khuya ga ji question 10 khuya jine. Ari baba no we serial number va 10 ko. Ari shub guy we big pajiva question ne. No we serial as it is manga chemra. Jana 10 kajai ne hili ranganing milo. No should we question number hang milo. 6. Okay, 4 questions. 1. The central government has assigned 145 crore to which state for development of a unity mall? Wrong. Second question. The answer is Nagaland. Second question. What is the name of the galaxy which contains our solar system? Question ji mata gava repeat sami paira. What is the name of the galaxy which contains our solar system? The answer is Milky Way. Third question for you. What is the name of the famous football stadium in Imphal which holds 35,285 people and was built in 1999? Kuman Lampak main stadium located in Imphal. 10 points. And last question for you. Full form of USB. Full form, abbreviations of USB. USB wire da itum na bobog jije. Time up. Yarwi answer ji kiban thai do. Akchida. Universal Serial Bus. RUG executive na thai dale price ma mimra next li minaura. Jo. Serial number 10 we actually the bang pay me sana. Question aka. Serial number 9. No we question number na 8. Okay, question number 8. First question. Which leader was honored with the Grand Cross of the Legion of Honor? Mike Lee Milo. Mike Lee. Okay, question. Kang Milo, Mike Lee. Milo. Which leader was honored with the Grand Cross of the Legion of Honor? The answer is Narendra Modi. 2. How many teeth does an adult human have? Correct. 10 points. Who is known as the Iron Lady of Manipur?
Irom Sharmila.
Irom Janu Sharmila. 10 points. Last question. Full form of Wi-Fi. W-I-F-I, Wi-Fi. Time up. Cho audience ping. Kibana thero do Wi-Fi. Malay Ture, the answer is wireless fidelity. Serial number 8. Question number 5. First question. The India-Myanmar-Thailand trilateral highway connects with which Indian state with Myanmar and Thailand? Correct, 10 points. What is the strongest force in nature?
Gravity.
Nuclear force. The answer is, third question. Which is the largest district in Manipur by area? Time up. The answer is Churachandpur. And the last question. Full form of BTF. OB. BTF. Correct. 10 points. Serial number 7. 3. Question number 3. First question. Which country has decided to rejoin UNESCO? Which country has decided to rejoin UNESCO? Ashi mazang lui mrada shok gai ni laga ungzang lui gai ni. Okay, USA. Second question. How many bones are there in a human body? Correct, 10 points. Who was the first tribal chief minister of Manipur? Wrong. The answer is Young Maso Shaiza. Only one attempt. And the last question for you. Full form of KYC.
Know your customer.
Know your customer. Correct. 10 points. Set number 6. Question number 4. First question. The Election Commission of India has published a draft proposal for the delimitation of assembly and parliamentary constituencies of which state? The correct answer is Assam. Second question. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Correct, 10 points. What is the state bird of the Manipur? Correct. Full form of CCTV. Full form of CCTV.
Crowd control television.
Sorry? Closed circuit television. Next, set number 5. Question number 7. Your first question. When was the World Veterinary Day 2023 observed? The correct answer is April 29. Next question. Name the species which can live on both water and land. Amphibians. Wrong. Third question. What is the name of the famous festival celebrated by the Tangkhul Naga community in Manipur, which is a celebration of their agricultural cycle? Luira Panit, correct, 10 points. And the last question. Full form of PWT. Okay. Public Works Department. Set number 4 na dam kumilo. Question number 10. Okay, first question for you. National Anti-Doping Agency, NITE, functions under which union ministry?
Home Ministry.
Wrong. Correct answer is Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Second, which vitamin is provided by sunlight to the body?
Vitamin C.
Wrong. The correct answer is vitamin D. Name the only natural limestone cave in Manipur.
Mova.
Wrong. Correct answer is Kangkui Cave. And the last question for you is abbreviations of FIR. First information report. Correct. 10 points for set number 4. Kupsangi Jere, round second, set number 3. This will be question number 1. Question number 1. The first question. British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak is associated with which party? Are we British Prime Minister with party J? The correct answer is Conservative Group. Second, who is the father of law of motion? Sir Isaac Newton, 10 points. Who was the first outer MP of Lok Sabha of Manipur? Rishankai Singh, 10 points. Full form of PIN, P-I-N, PIN. Time up. The correct answer is Boston index number. Ning shere, yari bing na khang milo. Answer kachong katay sara thalala khang laga arama. Kung li tam jitay na log jbay hangaye ariba. Kay kala dem sangay dala ina tumda. Mana da disturb sai ka hi sakta mukhi milo thada. Kachong katay sare. Kagudomay nang soda khang milo gji hangay. Set number 2. Atam ki milo. Set number 2. Question number 9. First question. Which is the world's second largest rainforest after the Amazon? Time up. The correct answer is Congo. Second, who discovered the sun as center of solar system?
Galileo Galilei.
Wrong. The answer is Copernicus. Third question. In which country Manipur shares its borders? With which country Manipur shares its borders? Manipur we border country ji. Ashu we country. I mean neighbor. Yeah? Share sadak lai baje. Myanmar, correct, 10 points. And the last question, full form of ATM.
Automated teleport machine.
Automated?
Time machine.
5 points. 5 points. Myeongse, yeah? So, set number 1. Question number 2. First question for you. Which rocket was used for the launch of Chandrayaan-3 mission? Pass. The correct answer is LVM-3. Second, what is the most sensitive organ in human body?
Skin.
Correct, 10 points. Third question, what is the name of the traditional attire worn by women in Manipur? What is the name of the traditional attire worn by women in Manipur?
Hane.
Pane, correct, 10 points. And last question, full form of IFSC. IFSC God. IFSC. Pass. The correct answer is Indian Financial System God. Ning share. Second round we wang yaruina sigla la akshida. Panglaga na bang pe mi se. Okay, third round here, very interesting one. Here a sports and entertainment round ni. Question avung hanra hili round third round hili ki ho khala jalaga fire on the mountain je mathaya cover akhwak bas havara in the passing round. This is the only passing round. One ling hanra mathega 2 3 the matang bara. He is number 6 when a hopokra. 6 winner, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lago 1 the hopokra. 6 the mathega 7 li basara 8 the matang bara. Question avu mangra mathega pasara. Passingly answer mashung cover 5 sambangra. Direct question jing hanga cover 10 points sambangra. Okay, so number 6 ready samilo in a might share samira meningalo. No, we 6ly in a question high me gain atang in a hangola. 6 question for you. The only question. Which country won the men's cricket World Cup 2023?
India.
Sorry, only one of them. Kataura Pasaura.
Australia.
Australia beating India by 6 wickets to win the title for 6th time. 5 points for Talui. Set number 7, winning Gamilo. Nashuine. Nashui, second, Nashui round question, yes. Which country will host the 2024 Olympic? Paris. That is France. 10 points for set number 7. 8. Which country is the winner of the Women's FIFA World Cup 2023?
Spain.
Correct, 10 points. Which film won the Oscar Award 2023?
RRR.
Pass? Wrong? Pass. Pass chiga mir so line pass jaw samning la.
Anything, anytime, anywhere.
Where?
Everything, every time, all at once.
Mushungi dag lene kani ni de jong widle.
Oppenheimer.
Everything, all at once.
Everything, everywhere, all at once.
Everything, everywhere, all at once. Correct. Set number 6. 5 points. Our question is set number 10. Yeah? Okay. Which MSL club does David Beckham own? Inter Miami. Correct. 10 points for set number 10. David Beckham with club. Messi nang Real Madrid club G Inter Miami. Okay. So number 1. Which team won the first ever World Cup in 1930?
Uruguay.
Correct. 10 points for number 1. 2. Which is the oldest football tournament in India?
Santosh.
Wrong. Which is the oldest football tournament in India? Duran Cup. Masak nam na say. Ara number 3. Huh? Nishwila. Charlie Chaplin, a comic actor, filmmaker and composer, belongs to which country?
America.
Wrong.
British.
Correct. England. 5 points for set number 4. Aran question, yeah? Indian national football team just lost their second Asian Cup match yesterday with 0-3. Which country did they lose to? Pass?
Iran. Uzbekistan.
Correct. 5 points for set number 8. Aka wadale yang mga nashi. Cell number 5. BV Sindhu is associated to which sports? BV Sindhu, Paula guy is sports person yang is associated to which sports?
Badminton.
Correct. 5 points for cell number 6. China third round ko gaini. Ara atumli question thruk wiwang ngarai chada fear sa ka bai question thruk miaura atumna benai na 50 seconds lik bisangra g points count sa dale laka atumui question ji kima mai khlak ji ina ba mi gena thega ma thekle ji yanglo laga ji atumui points ji mat count masa kop chaurang ga ya really question draw sara laga ga thepingli award mira ji minute ka thum mati wilungli kop sang vai sara laga hili room se laga top 6 pamra ka typing ji dawra laga round akakni sa laga kop sang vai sa gi ji ne issue we okay missing sobina question jing ran miolo direct habok baira sir number okay ma box or rip sada box yes question tharuk mange yang pen ready samilo pen mag sing majang jang se ya okay hi kuisiva kai khaliwa kala mai da ka pai maung dang vai chena ari baba ka tong ling rai ka cha question ni 10 points hai na 6 question khanghan ni laga athangwi points si calculate sa laga room laga chi ka thak wi lung la thum na point calculate sa ra total ji hang laga first to 6 china final round ba gi ji ne athumwi question ni answer mang han ga mi lo in a question ni na thum thei ga ma thei kala your time starts now jo 40 seconds tik sam do yang round 4 ne hina kaji thaw wang final sa gai ne awi question bing ji pai ka sakla yang lo only what country or which country has won the most world cup? 2 which state in India shares a boundary with only one Indian state? Which state in India shares a boundary with only one Indian state? Third question, which is the only body part that is fully grown from birth? Pratak leuda. Pragatatam liyang. Fourth question, in which state of India, collect samyalo?
Time is up.
In which state of India the famous Hornbill Festival is celebrated? And the fifth question, what was the chosen theme for Delhi's Red Fort during the 77th Independence Day celebrations 2023? And the last question, who is the author of the book War and Peace? Chi subject zigabai zilaga question pailak kaina thru han gaini araji total samilo atang we round 1 2 3 we total aruji total salaga serial number 1 to 10 g minute ka tum we lungli thakla gaina calculate sami salo yaru li question mati phanga ngan sa ge ka thei bing ji akama we ka da misido chili isi ors langra nai dele chili sakamela leidele yaru li question kani ka tum nai mang han ga ngai la thei ser de le jing na wala rik themau da thalala jing ra da den da thei sa ka aru ji ti ma ka unit mag bi thulu je mag bi thura ji de le ang mag ka bi ba ji ti chan hong ne okay yaru li question mang han chaw rang la ka issue we jingdun li kui si ka da sarai rak lag je chila ga ni da hangai 2018 tangku naga jingdun longbang oja mangang na chairman ga sa dam li guir sir nobert khaina quiz master salaga sekhona first kui in a paningung thaga kala 2020 li tan really quiz master in a sababa mai chili somdal na first kui 2022 li April the Louis Zatical we conference community in a quiz master sai jili phali na first kuye second ji the Louis difference ketyaga conflict laga first second ji da kui thuya we 2023 achakum September li jingdun sansa area we utisa da ngai ngli sai jili the Louis na first kuye the Louis somdal kala phali quiz li in a กระจงขลีกระจัดลีมังอาว่าละไงนะเที่ยคือไกด์เขาว่าควิสเนี่ยจะเขาว่าอิเชียมาจังมันมังหานังแล้วก็อิเชียมาจังมันหังคราละเลยไล่ริกตำนาวเทียมละไงนะมังอาว่าละไงนะไล่ริกบ้านนาวกระจงก็ตะลุยลีที่เดเลย appreciate สักขังยี่บาเจสาเซอาชินะ first กระจงก็คุยคราเนี่ยสมเดลนะตันลุยลี first คุยอาจจะสมเดลฮิลิมกาทุเรจุยก็ขลังนะอาชิงเงินแม่เรกจะบ้ามนิ่งละอาชิลีเทียมก็ไม่คือกระจงก็ละชกราเดเลยก็จียารุยลีทัดชิไม่ก็จึงดูหน่วยกุยสุยอดมังอาจีชิลาไงนะหังขังไงเนี่ยยารุย question ขึ้นอีกตัวหันยังไงแล้วก็จิกุบเคลวดาอิลีbuoyancy อิชิวยากันนะกับฮามิโลโอเคทีมมักบีสังคณีอะไรจีอักษรมักบีสังทีมคณีจีฮิลรามิโลกันนี่ answer จะกิจบ้านนะกิจบ้านเธอไม่เอาหรอจ๊อโอเคสาสารโนอิทุม ORS ตันสาเสมนิ่งมาละพรุ่งนี้ ORS ลุบัตรุกไปไม่เย่เจน่า ORS ก็จงก็คุยง่ายเลยยังโอเคปังคังก็มีแล้วเอาอิชูวิมจ้ะอิชู publicity คณิกทุมจะคิดมาอิชู volunteers มาเลยทุเรศขยังมีเอาสิเนี่ยแล้วก็ ORS ที่ไม่ใช่ไม่ได้จะเขาว่าพิจารณามีเสนั่นทุกเมื่อน่ะจ้ะยังล้อจ้ะเสคิดว่าเนี่ย first ปังคังก็เลยยังเสWhat is the maximum length of Reels video on Instagram? Jarajli. 60 seconds see 2022 li sai 23 ka jena nga chere yes. The correct answer is cho try sang la ari bangkang ka ba je. Hiwa ka ka na wa mi lo. Reels video kesembing na thera sai Instagram le 30 ji yo nai re oi dao ning share next hivak 60 yo nai re hivak 45 yo 90 correct 90 ji li le jo akshida amilo ors le hiba hiva original ne bangladesh wa ne khui khong ne nana mama ngai kha wa kha mani shui football player ka li myolo okayนี่ชื่อฟุตบอลเทสก็คงแน่นอนลิมิโอจิโลโอเคไหนก็ขึ้นเนี่ยว่างไงก็ว่างมีไปรับปังข้างไปก็ข้างมิโล Who is the most followed person on Instagram ปังไม่ถูกขวบว่าจะสมบังเลยโอเค answer ว่ามันช่วยได้ก็อาคนทัดทรุกชาดเลยจะบ้าจิตตั้งเอาเสนักข่าวอยากงานเอากันเนี่ยนักข่าวก็จุงก็จังเลยเรียก What is the name of the operation launched by Indian Army after Oinam incident จีนักข่าวยาสิลีเลย Operation Bluebird ที่ลิมิโอส์เนี่ยอาว่า ORS ว่ามันเนี่ยก็มีอะไรเอาไว้สักใบสาวรุ่นยอคุยกันจีเลยคิดมาทำเนี่ยนิ่งเชื่อเลยว่าจ้าอิชูอีปุ่นเสียก้าวสามมันใช่อะไรล่ะนักข่าวอยากงานเลย In which year Shillong Accord was signed? Wrong. Correct. Are we 1975 budget mi hosa hilila tang kya ko shai ka shengla nge hang mere tada ORS chi vai ga I nei da hang aure tada va mi hosa bak bai Okay. Are India we history ka ngana ko ne which history meaning ne current affairs li jang bai which Indian state launched an initiative called Baker Free Baker malai bai mara ki ba ka chat ma za la mari bai mara ji state da ka le dele ki pa ne wrong kuno wak ji पंजाब जी मम शुंग थुरे मम शुंग मने केरला मम शुंग मने कदा ये मणिपुर मम शुंग मने ओके अथुम थे का अथुम ली के बात तो ओके the answer is Maharashtra okay akan ngan lege Which country has no military force? Sipai maklay country. Wrong. Correct. Oja na samang nere hili warriors chi. Oja tukana ka solo. Okay. Kapai question na kangan gay. In which country 5 lakh rupees not are circulated? Not. Luba lak pangawi not kle country ji. Mama shung ture. Okay. The correct answer is Vietnam. Okay. Next, angay. Are he question gade ba ye? Important sala ke question ne. He gade ba ye? Stage liga laga 500 rupees. Question gade ba ye? Hi ba ye sambang ra. Mathai tu rajiga atumli. Issue participants pili miaura. Just 500 mane akama. Shunau kani li chao kani chang ba misai shabra miano no kwisa ka ba. Maning mala. Hi ka kwi milo. Jore di sa say. Kai hi ba hi ba fear salan sangai jen da mi kni tu na ka shi da ye. Serious sa da yang mi se. Luba sha phanga jaga khang ma khang shok shok bai shine. Okay. Ngina ka zaklo. Volunteers min khayang mi se. Laga boinji hili kupsang bai sao se. Which country announced a strategic partnership with China ahead of Asian Games? Panglay na vong milo. Which country announced a strategic partnership with China ahead of Asian Games? Okay, the correct answer is Syria. Syria ne. Try sayang bayi yang the ina kasangahan laga pwisa masam pangkawai kasamning ne milagre miya kali ngahan luige. Which country's Senate passed a resolution recognizing Arunachal Pradesh as an integral part of India? Masung na kaye? China mix maning manay? Mamusung manay? Audience bila I mean issue with participants feeling ano kay? Are you sikmante? Wrong. Tagan naga waya kang hanap laga. Hiba hi sambang kalaw the next round daw say maning mala himami ka ila mangmring pamara. Ay Jojo kapay nga hangay. Kapay nga hanaw kay. Pai mai thui cha nga naw kay. Okay. Nakawing hanaw kay daga. When did AZ Fizo declared Nagalim as independent state? Wrong. Correct answer is 14 August 1947. The say akawa thibai say ina kapay lang hanay ra. Okay. Last. What is Johibai thi mialo? Laga next tao say. What is the Nagalim word that we used for parliament? Yes, tada ho ho. Oja to chona sam mangai ne da hi ka jang da na paisa ka jung ka lekha thala lang si daw la na ra khui miao lo ne. Ai ra lo se. Na na mi ngai ka thuma ka li mi ai no lo. Na ka wi mi sai da. Joining share. Issue wi buoyancy. Issue wi jo actually ba shok miao se. Score sa gaji lapa mi by buoyancy yang laga yaru na themi lo atumi ka thare na ma pok mara thruk ba ji 40 score sa sa ga je na continue saura
Arui with score hang state lay. Serial number 1, Tainim, total 42. Serial number 2, Sirar Kong, total 27 points. Serial number 3, El Pungter, total 33 points. Serial number 4, Sekor, total 31 points. Serial number 5, Ngaingu, total 25 points. Serial number 6, Pali, total 40 points. Serial number 7, Taloy, total 48 points. Serial number 8, T. Chanhong, total score 49. Serial number 9, Harun, total score 32. Serial number 10, Kachai, total score 32.
Aru iji thaiga first to 6 actually basong milo khubingje.
Firstly, lead Sadak Lehi, serial number 8, T. Chanhong, 49 points. Chui Tijang Li, serial number 7, Taloy, 48 points. Number 3 Li, serial number 1, Tainem, 42 points. Number 4 Li, serial number 6, Pali, 40 points. Number 5 Li, serial number 3, El Pungderna, 33 points. Color 6 Katruka Hili contestants, sorry, Kukanina, Rajada score sadly 32 each. Serial number 9, Parungala, serial number 10, Kachai. 32 each.
Kachai na parungnak sing rai misalo akhatara nanila kari jilimag jang biji stage na khnau bali sambang lui se ning share na tum elimination round ba salaga yarwi chung gali da naramui mai ning laga ning shi jang khat ko yang cho pang ka phemi se yang atum ko tong ali atum they deserve the big round of applause yang hili ning sui ta ba ki kala male mane point ak khani wi khang te ne yang parungai na gajai hi serial number 9 na den ne ani hi akava shok phulungra ising shi gaya ti shuda thrumang pamra in a question akhang hanra kathei baji pamra mag thei baji daura yang ka points wa arui leida kle baji leir ko hi wa points mazang mara yang coin dos baji amring phanamra yang okay kibashi na theni kla yang say what is the theme of World Earth Day 2023 mathai thure give me blood, I shall give you freedom, says. Kanini mashung lere, yeah? Okay. Who is the author of the book Harry Potter? Okay, Mathai Ture. What is the name of the highest civilian award in India? Bharat Ratna win the Mashungere. Parung na Mashungere, Ashiba Maura, Kajaibashi Zingum, can you utilize some bang naura? Yeah? Kajawashi Bangpola and Kapemi say, young. Serial number 1, serial number 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ashi Trung the final round with Wang Ka Gaine. Nishi team Trugle, congratulations, Hangai. Masang la gup sangaura yari khang kami wang ning shina ko itum lari gadam nau bingli hita da gadom kami ring phana ko gup sangra da lekha khang milo rapid fire sara he serial number 1 and habogra atang in a deomai ka hangai re 40 seconds li and the question kaya ka ngahan ga shap nikla ji juya tishuda correct answer avavali 10 points sambang gi jine serial number 1 li ngahan mira issue serial number jakshi the quick amilo serial number 1 to 6 and the big sara samgapang question je aling hangi jine serial number 1 tainem okay Hibaya hidause serial number 1 to 6 ne jena question number 1 ko pali 1 bajirang hanauge yang jidarugo 6 pali 6 ngane kibashna 1 shup kuido okay 1 hi serial number 9 na shup kui kai ko ara ashu wi 1 limag bisang milo points si ashu wi points for serial number 9 li jatra question number 1 ashiling hangi jine okay hilira milo se 40 seconds issue wi adam ji khayang milo tak leo da ili time up ta ka hang milo Ashina Mataya gava pasta milo. Huh? Chika next question Taibai make vai. Ready? Scientists have discovered the fossil of Fujian Venator, a bird-like dinosaur in which country? China, correct? Sorry. Boss nam salobo. Microphone shock thore. China, correct? Yeah. Are we second G should young me say second question. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the institution of Panchayati Raj?
Article 40.
Correct, 10 points. Which is the largest continent of the world?
Asia.
Correct, 10 points. What is the scientific name of national bird of India? In which year Shillong Accord was signed?
1975.
Correct, 10 points. Who was the Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur?
Biren Singh.
Sorry, wrong. Who is the first ever to become the Chief Justice from Tangkhul community? Past. Okay. Article 1 of the Constitution of India declares Indian as... Time up. Set number 9. Mike Pajik, teo ka young me say, maning ka. Okay, issue operator kanila. Quiz. Ores ngadan the malay kay ne. Okay, Mike nganay milo. Mathe ka pass chilo. Thai kan the question next sambang ra, yeah. 2 the yeah. Okay. No, we said number na.
2.
Right?
1, 9, 6.
6 ko, we said number 6 Pali, yeah. Pali. Okay. Start. Which institution issued guidelines to strengthen cyber security and cyber reliance framework to stock exchanges?
Setu. SAB.
Correct, 10 points. Where is the Culture Corridor G20 Digital Museum located?
New Delhi.
Correct. Which public sector bank is the largest in India?
Pass.
How many times the President of India can seek re-election to his boss?
Pass.
Who composed the Tangkhul Anthem Ili Prasang Gahai Ngaleli?
Pass.
When was NSCN formed? Who is the current STO of LM Block?
SGO.
Yes.
Pass.
Who was the Defense Minister of India during the Indo-China War? Time's up. Mateka pasilo, so that you will get the next question, yeah?
Serial number 7.
Serial number 7, Dalui.
Question number 3.
Question number 3. Ready? Start. The Chief Minister is appointed by?
Governor.
Correct. Which bloc leaders declared to create a working group of empowerment of women? Correct. Then boys, what is the name of the operation launched by Indian Army after Oinam incident?
Bluebird.
Operation Bluebird. 5 points. India recently organized the meeting of Strategic Partnership Council. From which country?
Pass.
When was the ceasefire between the government of India and NSM-IM signed?
1997.
Correct. Then boys, who is the current president of Tangkhul Women Apex Body?
Team AP.
Correct. Then boys, who is the current president of Tangkhul Gatamnao Saklong? Flying Taj Mahal is the nickname of the aircraft of which?
Time's up.
Akan na pass chilaga answer nga in the question ma parang saka ba chiva this vaura yang punkter serial number na 3 no we question ba na 4 your time starts now. Hoysala temples which receive UNESCO World Heritage Tag?
Karnataka.
Correct. Then boys, when was the Panchayati Raj system introduced in India?
1959.
Which planet in the Milky Way is the hottest?
Venus.
Correct. Then boys, the Constitution 93rd Amendment Act deals with? When did AZ Fizo declare Nagaland as an independent state?
1947.
Correct. Then boys, the first and only lady MLA from Tangkhul tribe? Correct. Then boys, who is the current president of Sansa? Wrong. Number 1, yeah? 60. Oh, 5. Okay, 5, yes. Mike G, actually, there's a
Serial number 8.
8. Di Jan Hong. Di Jan Hong Bashine. Question 5. Yeah? Okay, your time starts now. Exercise Equal Partner is a joint military exercise between US and which country?
Armenia.
Correct. 10 points. Which racing driver won the Singapore Grand Prix tournament?
Carlos Sainz.
Correct. Who is the present chairman of Tangkul Naga Zingdun Longpang?
Jan Gabai.
Correct. 10 points. The 128th Constitution Amendment Bill 2023, which was introduced recently, is associated with
33% reservation for women.
33 or 23? Correct. 10 points. In Naga terms, Atok Gilonser means?
Prime Minister.
Correct. President of Tangkul Mayang Ngalalong. Sorry. Yes. Continue.
Time's up.
Congratulations. This is 6, yeah? Serial number 1, TNM. Okay, your time starts. The first state to introduce the law of RTI was? Correct, 10 points. Who represent the first union budget of independent India?
R.K. Chadi.
Correct, 10 points. What is the fastest land animal in the world?
Cheetah.
Correct. Who provides over the National Development Council in India? Currently, who is the president of Zingdun Tangkul Gatam Naulong? When did NNC form the federal government of Nagaland? Swati Nayak, who was in the news, has won which award? Time's up. Chap chada sami gaini yari bing last sada request sara answer ji mahang mise ang ning sinara. Okay, last second round ni hina yang MCQ sara yari bing namilo multiple choice option A B C mira thayega 10 points mathega va -10 ngui saka chili ki hokla jalaga crossing the river je kong magana jaga makan thega makan na phamai alung thungli wang ningai ga khaitu yaura chen ngui ka va 10 minus sambhangra mathega va no plus no negative yang okay last second round ni set number 1 and hapoko se by 1 2 6 sem gai ni paila gai ni kamathega -10 Timilo, tenem bachili first ganau gay. Okay, nation ng milo. Option, mira. What is the headquarters of World Health Organization? Option A, Geneva. Option B, New York. Option C, Paris. Here, bas masamra magdija matayture. Good job with question, yeah. Okay, matayture. The correct answer is Geneva. Pamilo. Okay, Punktar Bashi. Antonio Guterres, UN General Secretary, belongs to which country? A, USA. B, Russia. C, Portugal. Pass. The correct answer is Portugal. Gee, can you say okay. Pali. The longest river in the world is A, Nile. B, Mississippi. C, Amazon. Correct. 10 points for Pali. Louis. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A, Michelangelo. B, Vincent van. C, Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci. Correct. 10 points. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? A, William Wordsworth. B, William Shakespeare. C, Leo Tolstoy.
William Shakespeare.
Correct. 10 points. The first Governor General of Free India was A, Lord Mountbatten. B, Lord Cornwallis. C, Lord Ripon. The first Governor General of Free India was A. Lord Mountbatten, B. Lord Cornwallis, C. Lord Ribbon.
Lord Mountbatten.
Correct. 10 points for Parung. Okay. Issue we atang we visual masa to the bazal round akas harada hangai dale chi just 1 minute kwimra chi masa jaranga issue audio baji saura jena audio hi 8 seconds khongmira laga khongai witili yarina indra masa salo ina ngahanre laga chi khongai witili ngasamra khnini ngahanra lawi title hangmilo laga lahi baina sai gji hangmilo ina atom atang atom le highlight sai re tangkula wa manghanmra ka popular music ogtuina are we yang popular music YouTube le likes chung mai thui ji view chung mai thui ji mi chung ga na ga the wena ka bangkui ke ne trial aka sauce ne laga yarina mathe ga la yang se isi ready sai la cho trial yang title na thấy đấy aru je trial này yang ara team avali la khani ni khongmira passing maning mane yang laga musungkha den boys mathe ngui salala minus malemra ka etem sabai akashima etem sara serial number 1 nen habogora ha cho ashu la khani khongmira
Shania Twain.
Title of the song?
Uh,
5 points. Shania Twain, you're still the one, yeah? Okay, next song. Are we learning should we go? Okay, Arui ji kido, Yarui. Brian Adams, Lawi, title na? Please forgive me, yang. Okay. Pungter bashiwi, ara. 2.
Bruno Mars, Just the Way You Are.
Correct, 10 points. Next song.
Sleeping Child. Sleeping Child. Westlife ning ne. Meki Westlife ning ne. Sleeping Child Westlife.
5 points. Sleeping Child, MLTR. Okay, Pali Bashiwi. 3rd.
We were both young when Taylor Swift. You belong. Oh no, Love Story.
Correct, 10 points. Taylor Swift, Love Story. Next.
And think if they can make it a better place.
Heal the World, Michael Jackson.
Heal the World, Michael Jackson. 10 points. 4.
When your legs don't work like they used to before.
It's Sharon.
Thinking out loud.
Correct, 10 points. Next.
Shakira.
Shakira. Waka Waka. Correct, 10 points. 5.
Celine Dion, My Heart Will Go On.
Correct, 10 points. Next. 5.
Dixie Chicks.
Wrong. Original Sin, Elton John. Okay, last. 6.
Do you know my name?
Dears in Heaven, Eric Clapton. Okay, last.
Jungkook.
Jungkook.
Look, where we are.
5 points. Trimmers, yeah. Okay, just 3 questions. Arang hanra pang khanga grebali hi final ne kup gai ne laga pang khanga grebana 10 points sampangra. Ready samilo. Hui manga bing na sami say. Just 3 or 4 questions, yeah. Final ne laga pang khanga ganda attempt sap lungra ngui saga minus den sampangra. Ha. So, manga bing yang mi say. Who is the first IAS officer among the Tangkul?
Umso saja.
Umriao shaiza gine ana umso shaiza jere. Pijar sa silak tale go heba. Umso shaiza. Yaru. Aram iram da mam jugen na quiz master sa saingla umriao shaiza na answer ne laga na umso shaiza jigai ne na si jaga thara kedara aru adam jangi solomon au sa ga bai jong aru ajagum la hi jetigeli horjak show gai no in you decision ngui gai la kedara aru je aru ji na he yaru opinion ke chung khara khai shui parliament judgment in the keys kedara sang sangai ha okay repeat no minus no plus okay ji I decide masarar suda humble salai na boloji ke point so da tu mena khangjon khui gai ne okay ready samilo what is the theme of World Environment Day 2023
With plastic pollution.
correct 10 points ready who murdered Mahatma Gandhi
Nathuram Godse.
correct 10 points name the largest church in Asia
Saint Cathedral.
wrong minus 10 Junhe Bodo Sumi Baptist Church affiliated to Nagaland Baptist Church Council. Okay, last coin, final. Which Indian state is known as the land of the rising sun?
Arunachal Pradesh.
Correct, 10 points for Pali. Matarang gaishui points si declare sa miao se. Arui wijina kakum ngasai yaru katong lila ning shina ko. Kasigli da kang mi bang atam shelain quick vai sa gine ka. Horjak the quick ba mai maning la. Atang ORS chi kachung ka tai dele laga no answer chi nguye sa la. Na ATM sai re jiga hili claim ra sa mi paira. ATM sai re jiga. Kala lively comment mi gai na thumbing chi. Kanthi chokli Tuesday ngathor pung matili sambang se na thumui answer chi musung sa ga I thum jili sambang ra puri sai go phaisa khura salo. Cho ashui mic chi.
Points sida da stay midle. TNM 77, L Puncture 98, Pali 100, Deloy 145, Tishen Chanhong 119, Parung 87. First, Deloy. Second, T Chanhong. Third, Pali.
Congratulations to all the winner. Ning share ko na tumli. Cho katong li ring pa mai se. Ning share. Ya ring tong ning share sa mag naw se.
Quiz hi na kangjang saira. Quiz li participate sa kai participants katong kali ning shi kachung ka pong shok tele. Yaruina at sumibang apang aksi pang laki na kapemyaw se. Quiz master issue quiz master la ning shi kachung ka pong shok tele. Ara matangli. Itum youth parliament hi hobok li vai sau se. Jena juris ping nila atumi sit mangali ran mi khai sit chili kharap kwimyaw no participants ping nila. Youth parliament li zangi ji participants ping nila mga shong atum stage li kharap kwimyaw no sit. Ara atam hi azwi speaker kni vereshang pungshok kala yumi bishumli atam hi midele. Lost and found pesa sambang delay jena mapu ba jena awe amount ji hang laga announcing put chong claim rasa ku bai re lost and found pesa kachik thawi pesa ta tu ngai sa ka na thumi amount ji hang laga announcing pot chong claim rasa ku milo ning shinara.
Hello? Hello? Hello, Zingdun. Literary event li vai literary event li vai re mi ta da gok zipi aji na first ne. Je na tong hu wang pang phe se. Katam ge shili ga literary event li importance mi phokai re gi wi symbol ne da shan ku ye. Atom hi ara vai re je na issue hi like ko hum vai shi nos ne lak sam nim da phraktan le okay hello atom ma shai vai acha wa tum kasrai la ga hangjin ne athang atum ni briefing me re jogi da ari hi na kshinaga youth parliament mi muram lik teu khang mi ge youth parliament conduct sai ke changkat wa government itum we ministers bingi mp bingi bom laga atum india we shok zang muram li itum na khangja parliament ga bom da khangjek ji chi tak mai na itum youths bing na thai gui vai wang awareness wang practice ka sa ne youth parliament ni je na youth parliament ka sa than khanga jai na salui laga best bing ji select sa laga topic mutui thei la khai bing li ho gui laga demo sa da trial lui mo ngai na ya release sa ge ne je na isi ne hili isi jingdun na competition sa ye judge sa gi ji saklak ji ka khne li judge sa gi ji ka sangwam ning la khamudui bing wang la mudui sinak ji ne wo aja ba example lak sa dei thum li hang se work minister na oti sa himai ajugum himai sai re da tara ka hang dali opposition bench we na ukru district li hisaran nei khiwain masa thu jimi khyo ya dam li te thyak li kupran nei khiwain masa thu da question sa hang rong nei je na aje isi na youth parliament sa gi ji hi ka tong khoi wang knowledge sam ka banga kala issue hi li awareness sam bang sar no participants jing ni la tra khawa advance sa da hang hai nei athum 4-5 days prepare sala jang ei kai khawa aji chang lang la ga prepare sala jang ei je na mathalai prepare sa kai bing we nei thum psycho wang knowledge idea le la kai na na ku ya tam sang sak se je na hilia kha thai blung ji ba competition sau gi da youth parliament khang ja sau wi chap tam sa bai mre je na ji ya ri na la phap ma tai on mi lo ka lai thum competition wi more than za gi da points count sa gi jau gi da ka teu kha ba changes khara ra ka khne lia kha ya ri dong li thai sang ngai ka la life za tak le sau gi da tv ang dak le bing le youtube bai nyang dak le bing le thai sang ngai ga sakla khai issue sensitive sala khai issue sau gi da ashama kham tu itran video clips kui la ga memes shok la ga cha cha sa la mun ni sing nau he phrak tare ji ga ba mutu shilak khai topic kai ga jang ai je na hi ba hi ka sensitive sam mai da kho khui mi lo ji ba hi hangai ga le thum tang khun lo bing wang kanala khai video document hang sang sak se program hi informational session ga la educational purpose li jin khwai wangai na ji sen sen khui la ga sami lo ji ya ri tong le appeal sangai ara issue we participants bing ne shong kam yo se participants bing le welcome sar le shong kam yun no hello rules and regulation ak sang miêu ge issue hi firstly hi shongin za taman government of india represent sadak le ana anamutuira juthili npm charm tira juthili government of manipur unc jada step 7 ngoria sequence jada thaimiolo ara points yang gi bing hang miao wei church bing wim thunai na content and delivery on the issue chili 40 points mira self confidence gesture voice chili 30 points mira effective questioning appropriate answer chili 15 each how tawre okay ara issue we youth parliament hi hili yarui na phap tak jiwa hili asama government of India da mutui da khlei hi a represent sam ne government of India represent sa ne je na mi bali individual na mukhui milo asama hili thai le issue ruling mark by government of India, government of Manipur, government of Nagaland, Meitei CSOs, Kuki CSOs, interlocutor da jang le je na opposition mark by NBMHR, UNC, NSNK, NSNIM, NSF, FNR, Forum for Naga Reconciliation. Hebi na ngatang da dam tuimira 4 minutes each mutuira chiwichile khangzai nak jangat ba government of India nam tuile hi shongwei na question han kchu chiwichile NBMHR nam tuile hi shong question han chu ji ne kha atamak le de da mati di ship mutuile ga shama lot chubre lot kchu tharanji government of India li hi shongwei na lot sambang akhana question han ra opposition we ne ya chitakamai na government of Manipur li lai shongwei na lot sambang ba jin no presentation no question han ra same yak wala sa pom ya phap tai idea ji lot charu shubori ji jena speech ji matu man da lai la ka awi lot sambang ba jin na prepare sam man no lot la cha line sa mangai re hi question round wang nei lot chi ya ara issue wi youth parliament ha wok vai issue wi speaker akwana tom khimyo
Good evening, Zingtun. Nagawi Ninkanrin we Chan Ngazek Gala Shongzahi First World War we Labor Corps Saina Haupoklaga Azara Shungda Kasanka Zatra Kaine. Idum number Paniung Sejika Simon Commission Aina Twida Naga Freedom Kala Indian Independence 14 and 15 August 1947 respectively Samkapang. Chiwitili Northeast Frontal Agency, the Northeastern States being Wivang Shem Kami, Kala Nagaland State form Kasa, followed by Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, and Assam. Hida identity set Samamanda, itumna intense violence sila witness sapapama, both from our freedom fighters as well as the Indian government. Jidhada rada itumna landmark history of Naga Pistok, Quirada framework agreement Mataila kaina sign sangarokhaira. Ningkhanri nui tui kup kasang wakpa mai khangre atam sahauda. Our stakeholders ngatate da we na itumda ngandangarumsa. I would like to open the floors to the parliamentarians.
Actually, disturb salah we timekeeper. Actually, the timekeeper later 4 minutes mira mi avuli speaker avuli jili 3 minutes li warning mira. Jena 4 minutes ta kaina time up to already jili. Okay, your time starts now.
Kyashi Kingi speakers we kamya khuilaga in a government of India represent kasane Karesada Naga nationalism gajihi unique history li paisin kasane ka tiaula la raila la your chat gajivo we unique histories le sere sada maite we history li Khasi Garo we history Naga we history na unique masame mene kala special masame mene ka khne sada India ngalai hi your chat song aside the later clinic la hiwi lung hili your chat hiaka hino caucus had the ring room the kalai hi India we come attack lane, Gala Ngalay Gdana, Yangada Glane, Gala Hiaka, Caucus had a barn room the clay, Malay Hili, Sakai Gvang around the clay, Hikalik the Mumia Lakmere, Gokutumasada Naga political movement, Hui Atazan here, Mangavak Mavala, Kunuvak Sinung Tuere. Twiga High, December 11, 2023, Li, Jammu and Kashmir with special status, Article 370, Aina 35A Li. Kuishok Kavai Kuishok Haira Kala Home Minister Amit Shah Indian Lely different flagged Kala Constitution Malay Paimara the Matingrik in a Hangmera. He was situation Kala context Silikata Naga we movement he progressive side the Hang Paigida Kamate Sada Indian Constitution Article 1 Li. India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. Sada, Mizoruno, Assamese Runo, Punjabi Runo, Ichajawi states later claim. May administrative convenience Vivangina, Naga Yurhi, Matailagina, states Kaniling a Yarare, Ka, Jitas Haij, Laitumli, businessly, politically, civil society organization, Kikikali, Hapkakonoki Kamalay Itum, Otsang Room Rashum Gaine. Hili Naga political movement kalai kala special kala separate flagged and constitution demand gasahi ka khlat male mene ka phangasa da China na Northeast India li stability malai khawai hot khanane kikle jilaga hili one stability lai khlew da Southeast Asia na relationship matham yaura kala apam hili influential same khar haura chida sada Chinese China and Northeast India li coast li Thailand in join the clane Kiki legitimate salag high coast take a kuwang in a money lakmane Chita Sada Northeast Chita Sada Naga we movement here Tahai Pungaga Ogatuna raising the clay Q only raising the lake development aning ananguli mine rate to high Naga we van Pami Chugra Kanawa Sada Naga cause here political money to
warning
political money to ka internal security we issue ngasai Chita the sada economic packages employment packages development packages kala administrative adjustment hili lang with the mikvai maramalai to young lo achu tangkul achu Naga movement hiwi katana kya kana movement hili business hada ngriaud lekla ichi chawi mirin semga khwai ram now ngasot now Gajija Shim Kurbingli favor me kavai organization Satu ere Naga issue hili cause hili Hui Ming Sing Laga Naga movement Hui Ming Sing Laga Naga Yurli mislead Satu ere a dozen kalaya Kasheng a movement kala a dozen kalaya cause money to re Nish lagay
It's chip.
In Bembechar.
in a Naga people movements for human rights winner represent Sane Kharesada Mr. Speaker. Gal hada NBMHR reforms or Kiwang. NBMHR 9 September 9 September 1978 reform Sane. Hiwi Karin Nava Kiwang Le Jacob. Hiwi Adam Hili itumli Indian Army na itum Naga Bingli reg laga mi jammaning la sada khle hi itum na chot changla gai na khle adam li thaga itum nagas ping la itum rights le gi bang hi form gsane, and this was the first democratic rights organizations of the Nagas. Ara second thing, Mr. Speaker, more than 90 years ago, Nagas have made their Nagas have made their positions very clear that itumna thai share job Bluebird Operation 1987 Adam Hili air troops murdered 15 persons and tortured many men and raped and molested many women. Itumna kabing na hitada mijammaning laki ka sadak lehi. The incident after peace accord signed 3 August 2015 hi witilila itumna thai jiba between the government of India and NSA and IM doing the insurgency in the states. He was Hili 4 December 2021 14 civilians were killed by 21st paramilitary special forces. Thaga Idumli Indian government na hidada minam lagi na mijammaning la sadak lehi thaga idum rights ma leitula idum na miwi azing that leishon da leida lehi idum rights ma leitula le kisada ma leim da thaga idum adazan hiba ningkhan khangar idum adazan hiba ningkhan idum separate flags rian administration nga dei da khlehi ne ya UN na hidada defines human rights human rights are the most rights inherent to all the human beings, regardless of sex, religion, nation, nationality, ethnicity, and other status without discrimination. Therefore, human rights are universal, independent, and indivisible.
Thank you. Now I give the time to Government of Manipur.
Respected Speaker, sir, fellow parliamentarians, in a Government of Manipur representing Sane, itumna nakawi political issue kala kiwa tazan khangse katamli Government of Manipur representing fag sada in hidangai British Mrarang laka itum higla Maharaj Viruli Lesae British Kradam Jitran itum British Raj Azingli Lesae Kala British Nuts Twighai Jitran la itum Ara Indian Union Azingli Manipur State form Salgalay the Kine Hiwalung Hili Naka political talks kala hiwi movement kala hili hapnok by le how the hi leiran maning ne ju hi stand sada khline independent adamli princely state sada le sa hoda naga state naga yu bing okthilala state hing kai khairan ning ne ju hi hang khangai ne kakhniali Manipur state hi country huiwang ta important salakai landmark ka hangsai foreign affairs huiwang no kala economy huiwang no kala foreign politics huiwang no kajiba India li bordering sa the country powerhouse sa the later China hina Arunachal li influence sa the Nagaland li influence sa kwai sa the Manipur li influence sa kwai sa the political talks you attitude he true hina jina he idum khok sa kwai mning la kai tum li hab khno khwai Manipur li disturbed area sa the ka standard leirai re kan khnam khiram ne ka idum li adam ji de he we movement kali he talks in a swidang sak le ji he hang khangai ne ka thum sa the state we government of Manipur state we standpoint color facts mention sa ke recently tigla MLS magud state we MLS being kala BJP led government in a strong salagin resolve sa kai athungwi standpoint wakigla jilaka Manipur we territorial integrity hi kali kada makai baimra gaji hi standpoint leidle CM Piren Singh na jon thang recently press conference khamyadam le Manipur hili naka we talks kaji tada talks le salala Manipur with territorially effect samra ji shengla gin hang mere jina yarwina bukhang ba masala ka CM
warning
government of Manipur na ngran de hi government of Manipur wang government of Manipur na ngran de hi Manipur we ru chung na wang result khwai kala mtai sang khwai ji hi mai sa da mujuk la yarwina cha da mujuk milo da po ngai nei kala framework agreement da ituna science ala ka itumna jahanangin le da hi jiwi ti chang jili signing of agreed position the sign
Time's up.
Time's up.
Thank you.
Thank you to government of Manipur. Now I give time to UNC.
Kyashi Kangiya speakers, juries, gala lecture speak. UNC we a representative kasag dang kanganing na. Lem somi Raman hini yu aming na, Naka hini yu tribe na. Kala Naka tribe kangsai kaprai na ngasag hay na. Mashun malela Naka mga sabay mo na. Pangshap le hawa kala thang may hawa da Naka mga sabay mo na. As a simic show, Naka tribes, 20 tribes next same ka UNC. Kala Naka with population 60 lakhs approximately. Chu along jili eva me aka thada just a number maya ka Naka we mashun le hoda Naka we unique history hi ngakai phulunga da khanganing na phaning yang sa Naka na 1940 li Yuruwi Rai, Merpoka, Ka Nakawa, India li, government of India lingarum brother, economic science Sakaila Malay Mana, Kalachili Lang Meda, Nakawa, India lingarum, the Mobile Sapulung Mana. Traditional India li, Rakamung Adam Maramung Ranglaka, Nakawa, independent state, independent Iraq Asad Optisai. Mahatma Gandhi hita hang haile. Naga have every right to be independent if they do not want to join in the Indian Union. The hang haile. Kala 1947. August 14 li Naga independent declare sai India li zimik sho ka reda independent sambhangai kala Manipur Naga spinda the banner of UNC framework agreement li full support kasawi alungli 2015 li government of India and SNIM agreement sign saira yanglu Naga na 84 years kashung haira yuruwang kangarer kangasung ka government of India na Naga wi mashun makalai da hilada Naga wi mashun makalai da Nagali mai shing sakaira Naga na government of India li lumashan mi khawai leshi mi khawai kapo maning mana ka Naga wi mashunji han milu Naga wi mashunji kangarer na demand kasana UNC na Naga tribe kala Manipur wi apex body kasada
warning
customary civil society we government our alumni government of India na framework agreement li full support sai kala Indian flag separate flag kala constitution demand ka sai li UNC na full support sai kala Maitei CSO Manipur of government kala kuki CSO li na thumi mashunji Nagali milu majimana ka Naga wi lam Naga wi mashunji manga pailu Naga wi mashunji na thumni mayor zabai na thumna mayor zabai marat demand ka sana kala Manipur wi Naga mang li Manipur Naga mang rights kabo maning mana ka as a whole Nagaland Assam Arunachal kala Myanmar wi
Time's up.
Demand ka sana
Time's up.
thank you
Thank you UNC. Arena government of Nagaland le atom mille.
Kya shiga by speaker. Azina government of Nagaland meaning akasada Naga political movement kala hiwa tazan hili hita hangai Naga miyur hiwa ninkana na oktui kasa miyurna. January 10, 1929 li British li natum chadai salala itum na lai kasa takamai na hamiloda Simon Commission li memorandum misanga. Naga political movement mangama kui Naga na okho kamagasa kala Naga political parties ngakai ngakak lagal lai kai chu vaina na chida sada hi ngshim kui kawai kala khok khasa kui kawai solution kuira kawai da government of Nagaland na Naga integration li Naga political movement how ko phok ena chuilaga achira sungda katomra suma Naga integration kuira kawai da resolution phanga tharuk pasaya resolution basa kaya chingum bingchiba 1964 1970 1994 2003 2015 kala 2008 li na government of Nagaland na parliamentary committee hi government of India aina Naga political group we political issue hi cham nami kawai sema chida da government na kasak chungalai sala la hi da samang mada Naga khokam sadre Naga political parties ngakai ngacham laga lei re chui wangaina faction kachunga layauda kala faction kachungu chulungli party group kachunga na demand ka sa chulungli achui government decision ka khui saklak ta lei chulungli government of India li itumla strong salakaina pressure mami ka pai li lei Naga now being koka samailu kala Naga now being solution ni katha kulungli kung pulung ra kachine ari Naga solution framework agreement li 2015 li baisa laga solution hi kung mira kachi hi Nagaland assembly li basai dalai kala Indian constitution we asingli kabanga khai state government itumwa solution ni kung ai ra jika itum step down saplung ra kala ari in a phungda clay government hi natumna kasing ragachi hi aina tangta resolution pass side le Naga khokha saulo naga khokha samailo natum kyoivaina ot masa thugla kyoivaina khokha masa thugla gichibahi ina warning khamenang soda thuklagai na machuk nga sangaye aj manipuri MLA na manipuri NPF nakawi MLA assembly li naka integrity wiwang naka khokha sakhwai wiwang
Warning.
Resa khai mathelak mane chira da sa da na Arunachalibam salabai Manipurlibam salabai Burmalibam salabai no we personal interest tangaulo no we tribal interest tangaulo kha na naka nau ne naka as one people one nation kichi hinga ningtit laga na na chinga ningtit ay kha no external forces can stop you kala solution hi nan itum kho kasai ra jika solution ni khuyung phulung ra ga chi ina na thum ni pang la gaina shangai kugnalim
ning shere aro NSNK.
The world is a jungle. You either fight for what you want or get eaten by those who want it more. Respected Speaker, sir, juries, and my esteemed parliament. In opposition way na NSNK meaning akasada kanganing ne. National Socialist Council of Nagaland Kaplang hi April 13, 1988 kum SS Kaplang Shangyung Kaplang Burmese naka nakasim ne. Laka NSNK hi shipai thinkni do thinktu me alungli leda khalai ne. NSNK hi wa military insurgent ne. Kala ishi NSNK wa nga khai ka ngai na northeastern part of India outside kala minor activities in northwest Myanmar Burma outside. Ishi NSNK we headquarter here northeastern of India le. Laga ishi we general secretary here and Gidovi Zimomi Nasaye. Ishi Speaker sir, no we attention draw song ay dalaye. Ishi NSNK we primary objective Greater Nagaland semkaka India dominated area li leda khalai naka khu kala Myanmar li leda khalai khu bingi khokhasa da le khangsa kachi hina issue khamata ya ningrin ne. NSNK we active sala high operation hi eastern part of Nagaland kala Dirap, Changland and Longting district Arunachal Pradesh li naka na dominated salaga leda khalai abam bingi li ishi na ot salaga naka bingi khokhasa laga Greater Nagaland naka lim sengwa khangrang sa hi ishi NSNK we khamata ya ningrin ne. Organization hi krinba Indian Union we na nga khai kangai na shock laga separate naka populated area ka kasem hi ne. Kala organization hina India we Nexalite Moist militant group kala UNLFW militant group bingling sik laga kaplang shipai militant bingli training warfare intelligence method provide sakmi kala athumni raira ka hadang sungra patriotism we enthusiasm ji ningli tipsang khami ji hi ishi NSNK we khamataya ningrin ne. Speaker sir, no attention draw sangaye. NSNK na Indian government ni katha dang sikta lai khala ki jila theng sangaye. Government of India li question sangai dalaye 2001 we na ishi NSNK li nishna 6 fire science ire peace talk sara the ishi rai rashumai re one solution one talk itumayaye khakiwang na arashing de tumi solution mamila pam dak likhi
Warning.
Pam mamila lai dalaye na shiwning ka jangki lai tum thengai dalaye itumni solution ji milo interlocutor being agreement 2015 li science ire 2000 mas ajon thong jam recently la renew sa le kai itumni solution mami dalai mane itumni debali solution ju coming sa ngai Kana wasade NSN atazan krinba sovereign Naga state Nakalim Greater Nakalim kasemhine Indo Myanmar li leda khalai bing khokhasa laga one administrative set up kasagi issue kamdaya karinne. You cannot stop a beast that's hunger for a better life. Kupnalim.
Thank you, NSNK. Now I give the time to Meitei CSOs.
Respected Speaker, I'm here representing Meitei CSOs. Meitei CSOs, in a Meitei CSOs, Akasada Kangning. Meitei CSOs na Naga political movement Gala Chiwa, doesn't li Katama Maida, John Highly Gala Chiwi. Korea Boynle Manipur government public na citizens ko dong na approach mo sa pai together civil societies organizations link ka like yar really bukhang ba radam taran civil societies organization hina government of India abroad salaga public voice he shares a vibe platform jo kamine like government of Manipur kala government of Nagaland he different umbrella ne, but then we have different umbrella li different political views li jitha sai jilala Meitei CSOs kala government of Manipur kala government of Nagaland we adazan ningjang wa main goal wa chingri ka hai khu gra hi ningjang ne you know speakers are no themi log je Meitei CSOs sina yari bukhang ba civil societies organization pingsina yari bukhang ba khara dam jitharan chamna miye kala Meitei CSOs we meaning akasada. Thank you.
Meitei CSOs in Shere are NSNIM.
Kia senior speakers in NSNIM winner represent Sane. Naga political movement gala juya dozen kajili NSNIM akasada da hangai. NSNIM he 30 April 1988 li form say. Gala he form sada clay winning rinda. EU naga he Mashun ina oktui kawai kala itumi ngalai itumi miyur hi mi wia jingli mok twimra ka itumi mashun wia lungli itum ning khane no oktui ra da form kasane ka khani ali NSNIM na ngarara ga hai kala itumi ning khan wi wang da ngarar da khlai hi thada itum da khap khuila ga ma khlai jili sem khuila ka khangarar maning mne isi yur khlai ji wi wang isi India wi ajingli pamran maning mne kala isi Nagali India na yuhawa or Naga NSNIM na hamsang hawa kala surrender sawa kachila kikala malay mane jikata relationship la kikala malay mane jiwangina isi NSNIM na az Naga political movement hili changda kala here itumi mushun kala itumi ninkhane na okthui kawai jimilu da kasane gagatumali angami jabu fisolong gala ariri thanda kala I Aruri Tanda Clay Twingaling Wiva Atumna Tanda Clay he itumi Nagam Yur Manglashman the Clay Aremolis Man Suck the Clay Maning Mane. Ka itumi Ningrin itum Atumna Vision Laylaga itumi Avuram Wivang itum Nagaland Wivang itum Natanquira the Atumna Jikat Laka Sada Clayne. Kamadiali Naga sovereignty wivang twiga hai adamli ayarang layli pistoking check the say ka 1997 li Prime Minister of India I.K. Gujral na ceasefire sag hai withili Prime Ministerial leveling ngachekra da ana Mayai kala 2003 li Nagawi unique history hi mayai musungai da Prime Minister Vajpayee na accept sami atum na accept sami da khlai atum na maya da khlai hi Naga hi unique saplungai kala atum thochan hi musungai chi wang ne ka phanga li itumi NSN with Naga political movement he international level wasung lekha even UNBO nala UNBO lila represent sa hai ne kala gashnili in a Indian government in a NSNIM framework agreement kaping rok lekha itum winning kan itum wiji samirada hangai kha itum li mimang aming li milka self sovereignty power hilimam mayam le kala chubangaina arila pending li radale kala in a government of India le question sak ngai kala athang anaga hang chili in a hanga ngai le speaker on the thimilo je naga yuri here ara political movement meaning mani kha khala to wi wang ne kala simkhuring phak vai wang ne da hang dale mi gumo mi akha yon sala pai ina chansam sa da aga hang mi ge hip hop ta milo pastor akha jina mo khang dun otsa wo da doctrine bible doctrine ji yon gai meaning ne ji ta ga maina akha na sayon gai ji wang naga history ji yon gai meaning mane ji phap ta milo kala itumwi naga Yuri hina ari NSNIM in ari nagar khuli leader khali li volunteers kapang khila kha haida khali hi people's movement how for kai nei gi hi government of India legitimate lo ji ngai kala khana wasara EU naga adam jang le yes ari sampang kai itum chidarim phamira adam jang la thangam ba chang khai itum ya ta jang je sampang lak ra gi ngai ning la kai
Now I give time to Cookie CSOs.
Check. Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir, jury and my fellow parliamentarians, ina Cookie CSO represents Salaga Krane, Arihi. Atum na Tiser le Achon Tangchang, Cookie conflict sokta, Ishimi being majority over minority, we rai Gasawang display Saserere. Ari Mapambay Tre, issue capital town li Infali, Chibaglum lemne Cookie being. Kala Maite inhabited areas are klim lemne. Atum na Tiser le, Ari we are living scattered across the country. And then we are doing all sorts of things that we can. It must to murder sadly, spreading our propagandas, and then trying to mobilize by going to the UN, UNICEF, here and there to highlight our situation. Why? Because this is not a war on the government. Government ni rai samnim ko issue hiba majority na minority li undermine sak ji rai ne. Naga Natumli la hang ngai ne Kiwang le jega natum na ring rerdek le natum la majority over minority natum la minority you are a minority because natum la anau ne natum na rerdek le government of India we na khang ne for a separate flag laga na thumklata we constitution ni bang chap cha dei thum la are chiwe atazan rara dak le ne khongjai basila ara hiu matang hili we are called illegal immigrants apamang thimi takzang documents makle he the hodle ka may accept sare we made the right the chipamashungai ka mi gatong ka we have our history of shared migration jeka itumi naga bingla dinai masabaim ni Southeast Asia li naga bingwi ancestral origin le shared le for example South China li atum na mathegle wa community da chiwe na itumi naga with similarities chon salila atumi dance culture laga to mi shai gashagli kala atum na history record sa ga tong ki share le share the le jaga itum la in na thumni immigrants go home ning ne but we all have our shared migration ka hiran ka generation ha ring ra ga li immigrants ne dang laga ara makhai sok pai ne ji na hang khangai ne ara itum hi upay mle tre reality face house khamasung ari ri hi house je kha ara capital limita baimra laga majority inhabited area live ma wa bai phung to the ara khibalita de le itum hi itumi naga in otsang rum vai ta ga ni itumi solution hi naga ne in Cookie CSO represents ha laga matu de le hi itumi we are willing to work with the Nagas and then in certain areas sagbai area li we are willing to even submit and then sacrifice lamli labai lanli labai mawaga sung mung sung kleli sacrifice sangai kha mong so mi lak lehi ilima me yangai mane ara achon thang in example mi ngai giva Mr. Speaker sir jury UNC na appeal for completion of framework agreement sajili Cookie CSO we Cookie in Pina fully support sai the press statement release sai rakho chino tum thai dak lene support ka saji ot sang room la gok thi ne jiga no neighborly na mang han le mirin pai dok thirer la no chinaw ngani chap chai ithumi tha so pam dak leine next to each other, so we have to work together to live together. Ilam ithumi community na mam ya ngai ka chung lai chap chadana thumla lai sare, but we have to work together. Kyuwang le jega naga kala kuki akhana hui mai akhana thak mai, but we all have our shared history of migration. Kala itumna atazan watadak leji NSNIM we kala naga we peace talk framework agreement separate administration hi gutong hi it all comes under one umbrella, which is the northeastern part of India. Laga Manipur alungli ledak leinda chiwi nang tay jo sogai sadla geographical area mang chaibaim ne ngai cha do thishon mare chena let us work together to come to bring a better solution for our future.
Time's up.
Thank you.
Time's up. Thank you, Cookies. So now I give time to NSF.
You are ming so show me some of the respectable speakers, juries, kala iwi fellow parliamentary ping. In our ring ning the clay NSF represents other clay, how pokli, Naka political movement with Wangina, Hamsan Kai Saigorili Kyak Shipong Shoktale. Naka Student Federation, NSF he, Ramekap Kachi civil society organization Naka we Akasata, Awe Azingli. Rally struggle, quicker movement struggle, quicker Jilang Mida, petitions like Kuchunga Tasangaira, moral support can be Mang Maningla, Ka, also getting saw the movement in Matalakan participate quickly. As you on grouping Hikashika Young Dasa, 19 June 2000 Lee. SC Charmir Natal Laka PCC Ling Room Laka, Bedrock of Naka Society, the Pongshok Atam Taranli, NSF na, Hiva Kanguya. Naka we movements at the Kalehi, Swidak, Vaikasana, the Matalakan rejects Samia, he the Telegraph India Lilapomia. Kakaneli, Naka we Pilan him, Matami the Tame Kavaida, 9 August 2019 Li NSF Natal Laka. Units Kachivuli, Pilanhi, 14 August. Naka Independence Day Kachida, Kanka Mikvai Kachihi, Ashina Mokomia. Kakutumasata, 2019 Memorandum Kanisata Mikasang, Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi Li. Jiva 25th September 2019 Li Aka, 23rd October 2019 Li Aka da. Naka peace process si Matalakaina, Katakuilungli, mutual understanding Lailaka, Kupsang Kwai Wangina, Memorandum Kanisata Misanga. Kamadesata, Ituminaka we alungli factionalism he Junglaka in Layaukata, Jilang with the political integration attrition he Junglaka in Layaukata, he Ngusun Miakasa the NSF Nanganim with the Kleksana. He alungli NNPGs in the NSCN, Ngurumlaka, collaboration Safai commitment Kuida Kalehila, Akana. Iwikapanga pointly, Atio. Central government Mikumoli Shichinan Mashikashin. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution violate Kasachi Langmeda. UN. The prohibition of the use of the force violate Salaga. Shichinda Kalehili. Armed Forces Special Power Act. Armed Forces Special Power Act in Salaga, revoke Masala, 30th September 2002, Karaina, 6 months extend salary to Wang in NSF na condemn Salaga. Hiva Masapa Mina, the condemn Salaga. Matalak in a Ningmia, Tualungli, non cooperation here really, Matalak in a Katomia. Point Katrukali. Free movement regime here abolished Takvai India Nakushok Atam Taranli. Kalaji Langmida, Myanmar in Indian Walungli, fencing border hilly fencing Sankavai the Kushok Atam Taran, NSF na. Hiva, Nakawi Mashunyanga Kaina, the Matalak in a condemned Salaga breast release Samia. He, 16 January 2024, Achakum Shokamina. Kalakanawali, NSF, we voice for, we stand for the truth, and we call for the just and inclusive solution that respects the historic realities of the Nakas and aspirations of the Naka people. For the unified Lim and for the history of Nakas. Kuknalim.
Thank you, NSF. Now I give time to interlocutor.
Kyashi by speaker, kala choose member being in the interlocutor outside with the Gijine. You in a abong to me that the Shilagana hit Hangai, abong Cresada, Naka we issue leader the Hangai. Naka in India we issue here. Southeast Asia is how we issue on Saturday. Jivina. Kala issue here wang solution quick ra hina India gala Naka wilungli hang mala khai khi aka khi phikara ha sagi jine India na naka we lungli chena ko khnyeli ida do ceasefire shongi nei da mu tu ngai India na Armed Forces Special Power Act he redwen is na sa ne kha naka in India we lungli hada ngai khang khai le how the jena Armed Forces Special Power Act ki kushong mel ga 1997 li kushong mil ga 2003 li naga hi ang khai khang khai unique sala khai Euro hane da 2002 li recognize hami Jilang Mikarda Ji recognize kami nang so da Pistokya kala Kurami Kuwaina hi Kurami kla jiga India ina naga hiwa hada ngurum rungi jine zat ngurum mongrum kam sakwa yang keja India hiwa chatur trahana kapan countries how the India ina naga hi kejili ka makai paim ni da later kle ne jana jana bisto kya khala idum labor mai ari innocent ke na la idum dang dan dak leji thale ne deboli khushok milo da hangai ka hili hang khangai ba in the logdra sa da hili hangai ba ji jiwa jang ze gui dung li de ne jang ze ki ari re de we na ha phok la ari de mya khang ro ko lung li za ra de ne chen na jang ze ki wa direct khudak li decision mai ban ne hi wa process ne chen na jiwa ta da ngze wa shum na ga now the phap ta khung ya lung ji li
warning
chen na 그나마 본사도 이다 상하이 Indian government in naga year 2015 August li framework agreement sign sa yang hiwi framework agreement with sign sa hiwi kamdai green ba sharing of sovereignty yang honorable solution quick ra kajina chan ze hiwi framework agreement hiwi kamdai green ne kala hina foundation salaga you kani
Time's up.
Time's up. Thank you. Now we have our last speaker, Forum for Naka Reconciliation.
Hello. Respected and honorable speaker, juries, and members of the parliament. In a FNR, Forum for Naka Reconciliation, we meaning sada as a meeting hili ragzangne. Naka Forum for Naka Reconciliation ki wang na hapokle jaka thika hai atamli itum naka we alungli faction ke chunga sokhau kali itum ijija khlata ngata ngorokta naka we ashi mainau jina we ashi tra ga longtang sakhaw we itum khlata jiwe wang na hi masapai thura ji haida itum Forum for Naka Reconciliation ni raw bongne he Dr. Wadi Air na founding member akasada kala convener sada hagupong ni hagupong atamji tran 39 naka frontal organization kala NBCC Naka Baptist Church Council atumna support sa lag hagupong ni 2008 li hagupong ni kala Journey of Common Hope the jili moto sa lag rin lag hagupong ni 2008 li 14 members li sai 2017 Kakashung in 34 members Kasung Hawi. Here are the Forum for Naka Reconciliation Haksang Mamantali. Jane Kamataya Ningrinava Naka Hupu he Kokasada itumna Rinda clay itum the Ningjang the clay jili Kokasada Sampang Kavai Gihili Karine objective Kala Twikahai Atomli itum young Kring rock the Akana Akaling Kuntang rock the clay he Pyomi zooming rock like itum Otsakrum Kavai Giwi Ningrin in a Kasani FNR he group particular Salakini represent Kasamale Mene cause Zykorally group Zyk Naka group Zykorally Raisa the partiality Malayla itum Kherjan Sai Twika High Atomli Naka Tribes Organization Kachunga Chililang Mede itumwi Naka Frontier Organization Kachunga Lila Kala Churches Kachunga Lila itum Wasampang the meeting la Sai Katana Bingli Kherjan Sa Laka itum Naka Koka Sakavai Giwi Pongli Kherjan Kachunga Vasaire Chililang Mede Kem Lila Wasang the itum Kernau Bing Katana Bingli la Kherjan Sai Kala Jida the Kherjan Samaman Laka highest level meeting the Naka top leaders Bing Lila Sampang the September 8, 2010 Lila Kherjan Saka Haini Jida the Saramaman Gichi we are lonely Naka top leaders Bing Zang Laka reconciliation agreement quick highly Kheresa the Governance of Reconciliation June 13, 2009 Li Sai Public Affirmation December 3, 2009 Joint Appeal March 10, 2010 Naka Concord
Warning
August 26, 2011 Chida the Saka Haji Jiwi Kamataya Ningrinava Itum Ngata Ngarok the Clay Ashi Naka Ashi Long Itum Klata Long Sak the Clay Pyoming Rock Laka Zimming Rock Laka Itum Mangasong Itum the Rinda Glazili Zavarumler Kala Otsakrumler Gajiwi doing a shinne. Here are the Saka Hayene itum Ariri public relationship in a itum we Naka organization with relationship la Matai Shanghai interfactional violence la decrease Sahira. Chida the on Manga Sara Haili Ara now make up the Hang Hangai Panava itum Naka he Koka Saplungra Kalatum Naka Jahanjili itum the Rinda Klajili Sampang Vai Hot Napungra. V Makritson Nahida the Hang Haile Itum Caucus Itum
Time's up.
Okay.
Time's up. Kishinaga parliamentary Dongli, Talaina question, raise some Hegala, President Sami Hevan Ning Slagere, Kishinaga Itum question he are Queen Rocco Sajena 2 or 3 minutes here, don't a Congrime Logini request suddenly.
Hello. Tâm khỏe cái. Akama hi. Akama ngathor taki cross country race hi 6 a.m. sharply avokra units ka chiwe na shinau khani mirnau khani da pung tharukli groundly report samiloji hi sakla kaina ga jithei ga sana yari units ka chiwe na unghang Mr. Law Akama ngathor cross country race hi 6 a.m. sharply avokra Mirnau khani, Lanau khani, the units kachivuina, Pung Turukli, groundly report Samilo Gajihi, Gajite Gisana, Kipakali Kamangarai Mara, Atamli Maragazanga, Kipakali entertain Masamara. Crown 2. Kala football match Ngreolaga. Break 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. li tug of war hi kuikara gaji yari psychorally jite kamina. Both men and women hi 10 each mitra ship shinautra mirnautra the kangran samilo tug of war hi 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. li kuikara.
Hello. Akama football match we fixture la hina da jithai mi dale ground number 1 li Pungshini li Somda versus Sinagre nang reo mira ground number 1 Pungshini li Somda versus Sinagre nang reo mila ground number 2 li L Pungta versus Tenem nang reo mira ground number 2 li L Pungta versus Tenem Bungshini Sharpling reo pokra second match hina ground number 1 li Ngainga versus Maichon 8:30 a.m. Second match football Ngainga versus Maichon hi ground number 1 ning reora. Second match ground number 2 li Gachai versus Tanri na 8:30 a.m. ning reo mira.
Hello. Parliamentarians kutong li question masam mangai le jing han question masam bang masang le. Okay, question sambang sang sang ara athong we same sequence na ruling we one na question hanra ji one nang hanra join opposition one nang hanra laga answer jing tang da tam man se question nei nang so da answering room laga 1 minute 30 seconds timekeeper na no question ji ngahanai laga na pomjang leo da no we answer mi man miora ju ji li sequence tam man no we no answer ba ji ba asam ba khang han ba ji na jing han ka no ji ne me riang okay timekeeper warning ma lemra 1 minute 30 seconds wait
speakers being we come ya ina NSF we one question kisada NSF Naga Student Federation Chilaga tribe kai ka kala organization kai ko we endorsement kala support mang ko khui kala hi khar now being na ill intention lingsang mi khai ning la
a question wang ning shinaire government of India li question jiling han ka khami sada NSF Naga Student Federation hiwa 1947 li youth Naga we youth spring na linga ka ngasaw kita without any endorsement or without any support hiwa khiwa ka bai abong slim sala ke chiwang ina as long as itum nang nga run da khaleji result ji samphang bai da laya cover ji ungchung da laya cover I don't think there is any problem kala jili lang mi da hiwa khar now na lingsang mi khai ill intention khle akhala ma leim na ke ji thar sang khmik sana ning share
thank you opponent one li migrate opponent one na ruling with 5 li question khangan
Okay. Iwina cookie CSO. Kad hada kiwang nakai na cookie wi ngalai administration hingarai chai akaneda hang bayar to.
Huey movement exactly he nagabashi we kum hyak rai re but you want freedom from the government of India which is the majority ruling the country kala itum wina jekha majority win itum la freedom ning change ning rin jing rai chai separate sa khui gai natai do gutui but na shi wila separation ning jang la rai nam ning ne but framework agreement sign sa da klai kala shared sovereignty gi ji hina shi wi ara hili paradigm shift ra gai ne nagawi movement hi Chiwi chap chada hiwi kuki wi vajekha we want a separate administration from Manipur. Manipur we nang kai sok laga ishiklata we land ishiklata we state goning changne. But ishila bad intention government we na we are with one heart and one soul with the country itumba. But itum a majority we na khangapak ning changne. But we don't have any ill intention. Jina chiwi ningri ni nang raida but inang rai da hang da klei we are living in the same geographical area lago we are sharing the same borders jiwang na hili khang tai sa da mo khui bai mre movement jing tai sa da la implementation jing tai sa la atazan jiva freedom atazan jiva goal forefathers being the set sa gai forefathers awo ayi being na hi thare hi thumine da sa laga claim sa khamasung jila jiva in la nali counter sara nan la ili counter sara khai cha na ka phning jili khang ning jiva ita za wi la chi ita za wi belief ita za wi pangshap chi wang in ila yu wang ning ra kala sep inang rai chai je ka ithumui ningrin ithumui ka phning kala atazan jiling rai chai da ka hang ne
Time is up.
ruling number 2 question 2 opposition 3.
Opposition bench li question do NSNK. Perma we individual na tan ka NSNK operate le. Kisa da permali na we meeting link so da operate misala. Ka Indian government li tan ka sek bam hawk le.
Speaker we kamya kuidang hanganga ye. Ishi NSNK we founder SS Kaplang hi naka hemi naka nang naukaka noi. Burmali naka we ashi lay laga history makangva ta atuni herausila. No, jimam yamane. Ishi NSNK we kamataya krinva. Leda kale Myanmar leda kale naka kale India ring nai leda kale naka katong hi kokasada greater naka lim sem ka gaji hi ishi NSNK we kamataya krin ne hangai.
Thank you. Opponent number 2 question to ruling number 4.
Hello. Mới đây sẽ xử lý business jang ấy, cái là Nagaling room ấy chỉ là cái 2010 ni TH mi vali mung khang saki peace, cái là khang room ở sắc la.
Alright, speaker, we come here. I think in a hangai that the different umbrella niang, different political views lay. Ka ari nakana independent ngandak lay that peace ngandak lay that the mai chayla ari ST ngandak lay niang. Chitaga mina different political views laying. Rok how with the yari we public we pressure hina masaka bay wang ne. Jena Naka labai, Maite labai, peace Chikura Sajia cover, Naka na kining jang hijihi, Maite na paptara, Kala Maite na kining jang jihi, Nakana Papkatahi Tarkarsai.
Nishlagere, ruling number 3 question to opponent number 6.
Okay, you question is that Hangai Nishi group na assembly Naka integration. Kala Naka political movement li kachikata resolution kuihai li kala kachibajing hangai.
FNR Forum for Naka Reconciliation question li khanghan Naka integration political issue group na Naka integration political li kachikata resolution kui hai rakhala kachit thigai atam li India government NSN li ngatai do hogil ga meeting sa NNPG li ngatai da meeting hogil ga framework agreement wi wang zita da ngatai da science sang rong sake khani ni hi Naka wi wang ni chene hi da science sang rong chitran ara Anigini we agapan and flag and constitution changra jao agapan of any package condition lim yahawe chiwang in a siva ishi nakang ngatang rok phung horali jao ko the anikani li hokhi laka kharsan sa laka itum pyoming rok laka ziming rok laka phap ka taw longli matai laka understanding kala trust we alongli cham na khoi laka itum naka history and political rights ni peisal ga itum mangasong chadwasa the kasir ga haine
Nishlagere, opposition 3 question to opponent 3 question to ruling 3.
Speaker we kamya kui the government of Nagaland ni question sangai dele. 2015 we na Naka agreement sign sai re kala renew la sa hai re ka solution ki form kra mitu hi ning kho kama ka san ne chirela.
Okay, nishlagai re 8 years delay ne ka mainly hi kinakla chalga flag and constitution demand mainly by IM flag and constitution demand ka saw vai ne kala hi solution kra re jiga India ina Naka compromise hang rok laga solution hi solve sagi ki jine kala yarui ka phaning yarui na ki phaning li yarui na kining jang kala ji yang laga solution hi solve sagi ki jine ni silagai re
ni shere ruling number 4 na opponent number 1 ni question ngan min
Naka people's movement for human rights we come taya ningrin hi khi khlag ji thengai.
As a human activist akasada human rights is universal ne chuwangai na isina human rights ithumi rights li vaili thalaga sada khle hi isu wi khamadai ningrin ba ithumi United Nations we article number 3 hi honor sa phulungra gajine
Ningshere opponent number 4 NSN IM na ruling number 6 li question samin
3rd August 2015 li framework agreement between government of India and NSN IM sign sang ro kai ji kyu wangai na azra shung da pending li hami da klikla
mai ajira shung da 3rd August 2015 framework agreement sign sa kai ji pending en hai le hi wangla ji kha political view li ashina main sala ne jili separate flag and separate constitution demand malai sai separate flag and separate constitution hi mi ai ga separate flag and constitution mi ai ga Indian constitution we lung la tra ka pukhang ba shok phung gi jine kala hi pending sa dak le hi process sa dak ne kala process sa dak le lak sa da mukup sang baim da phat sa da tu gup mukhira baim da hi Arui process na thada process na zata khlei idum
Time's up.
Time's up.
Indian political map li pamau da chuena pending na hai tagni
Sherry opponent number 5 ruling number 5 cookie CSOs na opponent number 4 lingan min
How do you think the NSNIM is working towards its aims and goals positively without affecting the neighboring states and corresponding communities outside Naga?
Yes, speaker. Atangina hang highly zangaini. Isi itumi machun kalay kalay itumi ngalay itumi thojanji kalay juwang itumna ngarada kalay Ari Gugi SOS itum nang tanda kali Gugi li maitei li kala itumi neighboring state li satsa khawai kala atum ling tanda kali maning mane ka Indian government li itumi machun kala itumi ning khan rin na okthui khawai dang tanda kali ni isna tanda kali mi ramli kala mi wili satsa la kha itum da ta sa ta kali maning mane ka isi NSNIM Nagaland leida kali jiwi wang itum the Indian government li khang tan nei kala communities khang dei bing li isina jiwi wang ina atum li hap ka no khi khala malai mane ka Gugi kata maidei kata achumbana isina ngatan de khlejli disturb sa laga isina nikhanaura juwang yu sha chang laga mi pai shil kha gapam ne ningslaga re
Ningshere opponent number 5 na NSF na ruling number 2 chili question ghan merin
Speaker we come ya kuida Government of Manipur li question shamla kaina khang hanle Manipur we rei ka sangli ka tha ta na ka wi ning khan sam ka phanghin na sak zu le khala
Okay ning shere Manipur we rei sangli ka tha ta na ka wi ning khan na sa zu khala ji hiwi ning khan sam ka phang ba ji na sa je ji ning la process sa ta khala hi na tra ka sa je da khang yang framework agreement seng sa damli August 3 2015 ji sign ka sa damli inclusive of all Nakas. Due to signing of agreed position the Nagaland state limang Nakas only for Nakas in Nagaland agreement sal ke package me khai da shiliwa Nagaland roi sangai re Manipur le package mala itu Manipur le package mala ara itu struggle sal ke jiwi process sedang le jili itu stuck sa khai da khangte binga tong ga akau puting je de kai ji Manipur ba jili pan bom sa jinda struggle sa de le itu roi sang lim sa lim la atajan ba ba pai ba ji jiwi result ba ji no sak zum ning ka hi process li sa za we ge jinda ning shere
ruling number 6 interlocutor na opponent number 2 li question han miren
Speaker recommend UNC li hita ngangai de UNC we madai mai thui ge ji krin ji khi la
UNC Manipuri later clear Naka Apex Party we organization Nakane Katalala Assam Arunachal Nagaland Gala Myanmar li bomb declare Nakano bin Kokasada framework agreement signs high lega Junior Salagan demands other clear flag color constitution he Kwe Helago complete sovereignty in a UNC we Kamatai Karin Gala Kamatai Karin Jihina. Thank you.
Lagare kana wasada opponent number 6 forum for Naga reconciliation ruling number 1 ning han mirin
Okay, Government of India ling han khangai pa na flag and constitution ni khiwang ka khalat ma khalai na ka ji khiwang khala India hi flag and constitution ma lai ka function sa pairala flag and constitution we ka khalat khigala
Speakers we come here of course India he flag and constitution malele function masabaimne ka ishi Indian government theng sak ngai banawa Greater Nagalim ma mirrors halala ishi government Greater Nagalim ma mirrors halala Nagali mtaila kaina states khani li year miai salala na thumli ki khagapan malele politics liruno business ka saliruno civil society organization ki khaliruno ki khagapan mala na thumi ot manga singwang sakta laya la kaina ringdak le maning mala hiwi long hili naga movement quick shock kala a separate flags and constitution demand ka sahi ka khalat malai mane ka jine
parliamentarian psychology ning lagai re Ajawe assembly niang lagai na thalagai na present sami laga demand kala sakabai walungli khran sami sir kai psychology wang na thum tong holi ning shere ajawe session ni hena khangjang sauraji ning lagai re ishi katong pam misa se pam lagaw se ji ta lui ka lui bai mur session baji jada kupsang sara ishi judge bingwei na remark mo mingai saning lai result ari shok lagaw se ishi judge bing na points council sara no concluding remark ka khmige a khni mige mathala insai re majuk sai na mathamai da khire ngji lagai na masa pa luis ne higda hi da hang lagai ishi organize sak bong ne ka mathala gai na communicate samman laga kai khabai li call mati phanga si dak sa jang ei kai khabang lang da aring jinen ga thaila jang ei ka chuwa longli ka jaw sak sha ba longli mathala gai na present sam meri da shi jang ei chuwang ja tra ha ningyang ngei ga standard funding sa wei na chu me da sa mi wang participants dong li ning shinari je hangai ajaba itumili iwi expectation he organize sali main sa da jang sa wei expectation na hangai ruling chong wei na hangdak le gdong je under the constitution of India wa long ning zekrak ji ki ba na re sam ni aru ru I thumili panchon dak le ye himar la kai na re sawi da naga wi issue wi opposition chong pom dak le mi na mo tiuta hai tiuta la ga ji re li thum ti man ni krelia freedom jik sa we na India constitution along li ungjang da ta dak le hu fain jen da chi pang lai khang ning them ne issue wi opposition ni chong ai na solution mi log ji ki ba na raise sam ne ka ja wi ning jang ja da ka ja ishi hin nei da hang la ga aja wa government of India when he demand sai government of Manipur na hing han kamilo da pang lagai na throw in sang sangai ni da khanau khnali hegda topic li youth parliament saga opposition ruling li bom dang le dong le question cha cha ngahan gu jubi sang sangai atum na ngahan karam ngahan kamra jiba jibang te ko itum opposition li bom au gi da ruling na sa da le dong ja khet pom gi ni da ko opposition ji mu ju shok mai da dong li ning sinai re remark je chen dang au ge he na khang chang sao se 이제 다 보여 닝 시네
야루이나 칼라 judges pingna marks tali samandlega arui youth parliament wi sagai khagjili remarks isi jury wena hangai da kedau ga remarks mingai kang da itumi dynamics political dynamics ili hita da kamuju ko dili mi ge jung da mening sang mne enjoy im samne ka thalala mathai na perform sai re nsnk na kuki ba sili perform saji ashi we stand yang itumi political stand ko khuje songai khangdei lam thalagna sai kaji jawe political stand khulaga parliament limati khangrok kaji baji jiwitui mane itumi debate hen khmeya standard agne impalage mathaina perform sasare ka ari speaker khani na hangai da kaji jawe stand jili nai khangrok debate sa khangrok kaji baji merme de sanija interesting samai paida ji hang khangai ne mathalan sang rogale
youth parliament we result ji telisam hung lelga itumna quiz we prize si mishok paisa se chena quiz we first prize toloi village first prize nashi we prize si khara kum mga song prize si chairman la panglan sa mirano first prize Tului, second prize Tishen Chan Hong. Third prize Pali. are we youth parliament li participate sakai participants tum na mung mi filo prize si are we result hi are we declare sa mire kala prize la are we mi shokre are we in literary nightly participate sakai quiz li labai youth parliament li labai tum gutong li ning shi kujung ka pongchok le chilang meida mushun mukhui yang mi khai bing na tum la ning shi kujung ka pongchok mi shit le laga itum li chief special guest sa the rang room mi khai alila ning shi kujung ka pongchok li shit le itum na youth parliament we prize si result hi teli itum we juries ping we na ashi himu ko pair le da request le okay atom kishi ga sang fridge le chena yarina ngai san ma sam yelo sa ko long li zari shok me ore result di sorry jina chi sam hung le lega ina akamowi fixture chithemi ge football first match ground number 1 li Somdal versus Sinagaite football first match Pungshini Sinagaite versus Somdal second match hi 8:30 Ngaingu versus Maichon ground number 1 we ground number 2 in the first match hi L Pungtar versus Tainem second match hi Kachai versus Tundri in a men's football quarter final women's volleyball semi final Lamlang versus Sekor Pungshinim Khai Ngaingu versus Tainem men's volleyball semi final Tundri versus Pali. Secondly, winner of Tundri versus Pali na Tisharling Rora. Kala Akana Tainem versus Tishan Chanhong. Second semi-final hi Tainem versus Tishan Chanhong. Cross country race hi Pungtruk. Mir now aka shinaw aka the reporter Samilo. Cross country racing Thor Pungtruk ground number 2 li Mir now aka shinaw aka the reporter Samilo. Tug of war hina Pungtradaka. Both men and women 10 each. Both men and women then it's hina akamo fixture ne.
yaroi azwa program ji hili khangjang saura natum sai korali mangpha mai sarausa
units or participants into numbering palm samilo akumana declare sami nauge gorle ning shiare mong palm se akum atam chalagena sambang lise